Hi guys, sorry guys, hi guys, Murise guys, how are you guys? Murise, nandri kwa ula that's kwa ula guys, zvakaoma, right, uyai tuone, hey guys, zvakaoma. No, how are you, my love? Right, guys, tatatanga kuenderera mberi ne live yedu. Yes, Black Lips Precious, how are you? Tichena betakadaro remedzai kuti tichena takadaro. Tatatanga kuenderera mberi guys. Antika tichida kuti mberi live dzedu ndakamirira vari kuda kuita live, vari kuda kuuya nenyaya yavo kuti vatange vauya nenyaya yavo. Sadapinda munyaya yedu yanhasi. Dei vatikurumidzei. Antika dei vatikurumidzei anziko.
Ndise pa group because ndiri kunzvimbo dzakasiyana
handidi kumisiwa because dzinyaya dzakawanda dzokutaura, right? Saka guys, takamirira vanhu kuti vauye. Handitika ndiri kudawo kuti guys, vanhu vanoda kuziva handitika zvokuti vatengese paupenyu kuti musangofe nenhamo guys. Makagara muchingofa nenhamo muripo uchingotanza handina mari. Muri kumbona kuti numbers dzevanhu vanopema dziri kukura sei? Number dzevanhu vanopema dziri kukura. Iko zvino we are approaching Christmas guys. Andika tiri kuapproacha December, Christmas, of which Christmas time vazhinji inguva yekubika vachidya mafidhlongo. Handiti vamwe vachiri kuita zvakudhara zvekuti vanenge vachibika vachiunganidza mhuri dzichiungana kuchidyiwa zvakasiyana-siyana vachiita sei. Handiti maona itime yavanenge vachiita izvozvo. Saka kune vaya vari kuda kuzobika vachidina, handitika guys, tinawo maspice tauya nawo. Maspice aya handitika tauya nawo. Iyi turmeric powder, kune vanhu munoziva kune vakambochisa turmeric powder ichi kuti chikafu chako chinonyatsoita yellow zvakanaka, chino appetizer just by seeing. Handika tinokungoti ndabika ndisina kurekodha video because ndaichitibika ndichiteerera live kwaola, ndichibika ndichiteerera live kwaola kuti pandongopedza live tisina pedza bika chi usavi. Saka ngirenda kutaridzai kuti inotsvukira sei usaonotsvukira sei. Saka maspice aripo guys. Antika vari kuAfrica apa ndikuudza vanhu vanoda kutenga maspice for Christmas nekutengesa guys. Ndakazoya nayo mother-in-law yangu, ndakazoya nayo ide yangu ndatoishandisa izvo zvamuna ndatoivhura yakavhugwa ndatoishandisa mother-in-law. Kune vanhu vanoda zvinhu zvinovavirira vanhu vane maacids. Mi munogara kuti mune maacids idyai maspice anoti vavei aya. Antika because maacids inyongo. Anti saka nyongo haidi zvinhu zvinovava. Zvinhu zvinovava zvinotisa nyongo, zvinotisa nyongo. Itai mchitya zvinhu zvinoti vave hei babakazi. Itai mchitya zvinhu zvinovava. Antika iyo ikamother-in-law kakanonaka kaspice kanoti vavire kanonaka. Saka ngatitenga maspice guys. December akusvika, ngatibikei titenge maspice ende Christmas. One good thing guys about maspice kureal premium spice guys, kwava nemasosi. Vakugadzira masosi guys. Ini hangu animoza ndiri munhu wezvinovava chili ishi ndakatoya nayo chili sauce yangu iyi. Anorikoda chili sauce yangu iyi lemon sauce, lemon and herb ishi, lemon and herb sauce anze ende inonaka singaiti mother-in-law ndakasindia ndakatotega ndizvitutendo nayo yangu. Saka aya masauce aya andika chili sauce, lemon and herb. In case masauce uda kugadzira esi gracious mwanangu, uda kugadzira mabega ako, you can use this lemon and herb sauce. Uruda kuisa mu stew yako, antiona mabika ma 7 colors mafidhlongo enyu, antika mankiuda ita salad checha hiyo, antika I lemon and herb sauce inofaya munobika zvakare. Pane kana vaya vanofarira machips tere vanoita machips aya, kana vari mu business rokubika machips, antika vari mu business rokubika machips, chip dip ishi chip sauce yavo ndakaitesa chip sauce yavo inonaka singaiti. Ndangotora machips mufridge ndakaenda mu air fryer inonaka ishi. Anzi muri kutengesa here, right? Maspice muri kutenga asati ndiri kutsvaga company inokwanisa kuunza inoti cargo company inokwanisa kuunza maspice kuno guys. Saka ndinotemba neni antika kuti kana muchiziva pakachipei kuti tikwanise kuunza in bulk, please ndiudzeiwo company yatingaunza maspice hanimona ndiudzeiwo company ingatipinzira maspice muno vema-shipping wata handika because ndiri kutraya kutsvaga todawo ekuti tikazo akauyawo kunoku akatengeswa hanzi lemonade able also to marinate chicken mami. Yes, you can marinate your chicken zvakare. You can use supplier SIS. I'm supposed to be the supplier Zama, but as for now handisati ndawana company kuti ndipinzire pane masachets zvakare hanimurikuona. So on this yakachipere murwisi guys, yakachipere because ndikutoda kupinza akati one day, but ndibatsireyo kutsvaga yakachipa pane masachets zvakare. Saka for now kana une munhu akuenda kuAfrica kwamukumbirisa kugiro plastic remasachets ndakatoenda masachets angu plus ayo chanagwinyira une maacids here chanagwinyira inini handiti nyongo maybe ndiko kuti zvinatoti zvinovava nenyongo hazvipindirani. Amen. Une maacids here kuti maybe une maulcers handisiviyo. Masachets ariko zvakare can buy ari masachets madika guys. Antika ouya ichilizi inovava zvisingaiti ichili yacho yeku premium spices maspice avanonaka guys maspice ana. Then ndine 6 gun ndeava nda kutenga kwandiri antika ndine 6 gun. Let me take the 6 gun. Where is it? Ndakaisei ku 6 gun zvacho zvaingokandwa guys ukundoshawa space muno kapani ndikatuka ndikuduku saka unongokanda. Right, ndine 6 gun munoziva antika. Of course 6 gun iyi ndeye National Crown haisi real premium, but ivo real premium pari kunza kunoku vachaunza 6 gun antika vachaunza 6 gun vanayo 6 gun yavanogadzira vachaunza real premium spice ye 6 gun in 6 gun handimaona hanzi ndoya nawo maspice kubva kana tive ne10 years doing ndotora kugranite side. Thank you tendai. Saka you see vamwari kutotora kusamba kuchenawo. Saka guys ndibatsireyo kutsvaga kana mine kwamunoziva makago akachipei hanimona ndiri kukumbira kuti muye kuinbox kwangu please inbox me nemanumbers emakago handikatite mainquiries and then akapinda motengera padhuze hanimona motengera padhuze. Saka 6 gun idzi kune anda 6 gun ndinadzo dzekutengesa 6 gun hanimona ndinadzo dzekutengesa 6 gun mustew yako zvakare kana uchida kubraya nyama mubrai kuzvina uchabrai kuno kukoswa kunaya chiwinde yauye but mumastew inonaka 6 gun. You can also use your 6 gun handika. Saka guys kwanzi kuzimbabwe vanhu vanorwara nemacids I don't know why andizivi zoizo yausi Mildred austombori Mildred nesro I saw my comments ako you're not Mildred, you are not Mildred tazina ndaushamwari naye ka Mildred handi muri kuona. Saka pabrai chiororo but izvozvo maybe kumarinate nyama yako osa mu-air fryer because right now vanhu vakaenda kuchiisa ma-air fryer nokuti weather panzi pari kutonaya itoyo rainy season. Saka ma-air fryer unokwanisa kuitira mu-air fryer whatever vanorosta nyama dzako kana whatever vanosanganisa mu-air fryer womarinate achida kuisa musupu zvakare vamwanisa masupu hanimona kuti gravy yako inyatsonaka iteka thick kakaya izvi. Saka zviripo. So guys 6 gun kumberi. Yes, in essence right. Pamela rega ndoda kupina number ndoda kunyora number idzi comment section then umwe munhu ondipinira andisika umwe munhu obva andipinira number dzenhingikiri pamuri kuenda kunotenga andisika pamuri kuenda kuno order. Let me show you +27 62 384 3094 right. Do it. All right. Dokumbira mudipindiro guys. Ndesa nenda kuya ina upinda zvitakaita kana zuka pa settings apa ka ma1 cheo. Right. Right. Ndapina. Ndo kwa munotenga ma spice uko. Wada kutaka kutengesa for December Christmas. Chitotaka South Africa. Order it up. Hamona, order it up. Anzi sime desi wakazi vevanhu venyaya yavo hanzi we are ready. Havidu yatuti avatozizve Facebook. Pa WhatsApp. Romeo. Kwaiba harurwa iwe chahindo ndiyamadora cha harurwa ndigoni hanzi na blacklist makaenda kwa Cape Town taida kuya Cape Town tikauza kuti kwa weather hey what weather anobva divert isu tatoda kuya Cape Town bvasanzi kwa weather kukutonhora kukuditika tinotofambirei bva divert matida ku Joburg matida ku Zimbabwe ndetozvifambira zvamkwini anomaona saka kwanzi vanhu venyaya vauya namba ndaisa guys ndipo patinotora chi ndo patinotora zvinhu zvacho right mauya here vanhu uyai kuwhatsapp kuvanhu venyaya yenyu kurumidzai kufona kuwhatsapp kwandisi kuda kutombomisora kuti nyaya dzakawanda kurumidzai kufona mother in law inonaka shem inonaka andi ndakatengesa mother in law kaiya ndindakaita tive famous pa premium spice paya because ndakangoitesta ndikawa maiwe saka ndakanda ndichingoimaketa every day hanzi kune vakuita 5 some SIS matakakuvaziva nhasi takatombova interviewa isu achine vakadzitiri Gabriel Mafunde anotoziva sisi takambomuinterviewa pano tichangovhura andipewo madora ndakauya neamashoma off season yemadora hakuna madora style on budget hakuna madora saka hakuna aitodhura $10 chikapu chakadai so and aitori nemunhu one so I managed to get mashoma ekungotiwo ndingosesedza ndichikodaro mashoma saka ndakatongotenga angasara ese as I saw you passport Anna so I think ndo ndakangotenga saka hana kwanombondisvitsa ndoda kutamira panotonaya ndotoona kuti ndadi yes black lips yeah but next time tinoya koko straight ndo next time ndobruka koko Cape Town koko right saka guys chimirira vadzenya ava antika kuti waye please vadzenya muchinge mangosvika if yamandifonera or else ndakutochija dhiri anomaona then kune vanhu vane makadzi avo veku UK antika vandakauya nawo saka ndichadedzera mazita please uyai collect makadzi enyu or wonsendera mari yekuti ndikusendere kadhi rako antika tina Mrs M Mataishe antika Mataishe uyai mutore kadhi renyu Miss S Kadzia please Selina yautore kadhi rako antika Miss T Munyashu kadhi renyu rauya Mrs J Nteremuku kadhi renyu riripo yamutore kadhi renyu make plans kuti mwane makadhi enyu ekuzororo antika Mrs Matinyarari antika Mrs Matinyarari uyamutore kadhi renyu ekuzororo my sister itai plan Mrs M Mfururi antika my Mfururi Mrs M Mfururi kadhi renyu riripo antika and then Gombarago NP Gombarago kadhi renyu riripo zvakare and then Mildred Saidi hauna mbobatika kare ndandiri busy zvokudaro ndaimhanya zvokutodaro zvoti andatombopedza business racho kokoko Mildred Saidi kadhi renyu rauya mekai maplan antika mekai maplan yekuti mutore Masawi kadhi rako tinaro make plans kadhi uye Makai kadhi rako riripo antika makadhi enyu ezororo Pumulani aya antika Gombarago makadhi enyu aripo chiri mukurara antika makadhi enyu aripo Machemedze makadhi enyu aripo saka makadhi evanhu vese andakauya nawo evanhu andakauya nawo andimoona kunoko vavadzima vaitsvada makadzi avo andisimeleve kunongenge aiwa ndinoengeja necomment section ungandingaignore saka necomment ndinotoengeja saka makadzi enyu aripo guys kana usati wave nepolicy yako guys vanhu vari kufa mazuvano zviri kuitika muri kuzviona guys kuti mazuvano hatina nguva yatinofunga kuti tinayo hatina nguva yatinofunga kuti tinayo guys handi muri kuona vanhu vari kungofa gara watora polisi yako antika tora polisi yako joina polisi guys uve nepolisi ungoronge usazonetsa vanhu kuti uitwe GoFundMe iwo chinge wafa antika kana uri kuda kujoina polisi Zororo Pumulani unondibata ndokujoinisa polisi kuzororo Pumulani antika right hello muri kuita noise my sister how are you ndiri right ndikuona kuti makuita nezima right mune vamwe venye
vamwe tiri kwakasiyana saka tadati maybe muchatijoinisa pa
ina hadzizima handina manamba ini inde nokuedha apa chiedha chijoinisa vamwe vako because iwedo ine manamba ina handina
alright
chia edha ipafoni papa muwande pafoni iyo pakoliyo
alright
and smelly skin is no try Vaseline. Why should I try Vaseline? Why should I try Vaseline? I don't do Vaseline. My skin is okay like this. Simply because I stopped bleaching. was ndakataka kublisha. This is my original settings wangu. And ndibva ku Africa kai ndasva ku Africa vane story nezuro wangu. So what do you expect? Idava Africa kusera zuro. Skin yangu tori bosho kuti I just decided to take a break. Pakusora to take a break. Saka ndo original settings yangu iyo skin iyo bosho kuti hey, you want me to ndambe chingove murungu wakakurungana kura kana ndada ndichadzokera but zvaizvozvi ndiri pa original settings. This is the original settings wangu. This is the original settings. Lavenda ngauye kuya naye uya ku WhatsApp kwangu. Uya ku WhatsApp kwangu kai. Uya ku WhatsApp. Uya ku WhatsApp. Uya ku WhatsApp. Hey guys, muna ngati kwa ndi skin ice quitter zora Vaseline. Vaseline yeshu. Ndono zora serum. Ende zova kwaipisa. Kuzora serum yanga ndogadzira yangu serum sine ine kutobleachana kudiya ndotogadzira ndo yandiri kudozora. And what? Original settings OG settings. I don't need Vaseline. Vaseline ndeye vana kumagaro evana. Ndozora kumagaro kwangu Vaseline. Andizori chipo ndizora ndotongozora serum dzangu dzandogadzira. Original settings. I just said to stop bleaching for now. Munoti high squeeter. Skin is nice. Me original OG. OG. Man to man. Mapinde. Right, the night one. Ndana mpinde muzimane chikumuta ibose munhu yamchitaura pana pamuchita noise. Ndongo edisiya wana ari ku eda vamwe ndiwa ndongosi. Kuzimbe kopisa shewe waita sesh. Kuzimbe kopisa original settings. Amantle will come to my WhatsApp. Original factory settings. Nai, ojera SIS Melly mukuzora. Mafuta angu anechizora yanoita yeroboni. Mazuva ndakamira ndakati rega ndimbomira. Ndakamira. Asi ndinoda mafuta ndinawo ndikutengesa. Vanda mafuta ndinawo ndikutengesa mafuta tinawo.
Nokumbira kundira iri.
Tifana volume yangu satanisi. Kuziva kunopisa guys. Oh, ndetsokono na mewa kwai. Kudzokera waita chikorobo kusviba ndikati exactly original settings. Akuna zvokuti vanondiona ndiri yellow bone. Vanosanga kuti kusimeni ko they must know both worlds. Both worlds. Kuzora ku original. Hands and Buma going home like that. Thank you, Cheza. I had to go. As much as I wanted to share that story, to tell the nation. But I nyaya mukava. Me not share the time because I only have got today. Saka ini then singa do tika na ndichiva mwachita live ndo ndo vura futi live kunoko. Ndo zata nakwenda no vamba kuya kunoko. Saka ndazombona ndichaba live ndo vandasiya kuti vaite oma live. Pandakitega nditanga kuita live ndo vandaona olari para ndo vandakitega nditerera ndikaona Gabriel. Ketanga ndo ndinakiza live yamba ndakitega nditota hang around. Pano kana yazopera to flow yedu. Saka maybe tine 2 hours so because ndikubasa ndo soita futi zve off maybe Saturday. No, I say off. Nenda ndo kubasa Saturday makuseni. Nenda kubasa nenda night Friday Monday Saturday makuseni. So togona so titamuka futi tomboita. Zvakanaka naka. Simu ndoka zva chikorobo kusimu. Waita sesh. Satambe nesimu. Right, vari ku Edana baba 5 manje. Tinzoti nyaya yekuyambeya kuti vandichage kudai. Yes, thank you, Shako Dandi Chanteo. Unnatural, mazara, very natural. Hey, go bleach and kuwe. You just want to defect natural. The next time, this is sorry, guys. Don't go sugar and chico sora. Don't say I'm young. Time. Iko jino kwa kutonora. Saka nasa ndikapedza live datobika cream yangu. I say kuchukisa just cream just for glow. Datogadzira ka cream just for glow. Muwinter mu. Vaseline ndo zara magaro ndo inoshibisa Vaseline izolo kumeso ndo noshiba kuti cha Vaseline haisa kutora kumeso Vaseline saka gaiti miriri ava uyeshu ndinachira mazano jaratini I'm natural. How is the other hearing? I'm going to go do nyaya. Wow. What is that? I bought a vocal. Second, I got a chingo. That way, that's much in chingo. DP, they said, Garashia. I tell me, yes, a one second. So I'm not put and cheat my video in China, don't you could see right? Instead of my video, you could see right. Instead of my video in China, don't you see right? Because, yeah. And today, food, food to report the Kawya now, Madama Chebe, they say it happened away chando, Sagatem, chando, Shapuda Puti, Mudria, motivated enough for the guys, and Zira, motivated enough for the Tapinda Mungua chando, you continue. So you maintain your hair, and put the food to Sadam Bukere, something like you put language to Kadin. Hello, Chiro put together say, Ramba, Dambuki guys, and Siga, Sakantine Chebe, and Mona, Tine Chebe. Chebe ish. Oil yacho chebe ish. Oil yacho, and then this is the powder. And one, this is the powder. No oil, no powder. And mukona powder yacho ye chebe and siga. So what you do is you mix these two. One mixer these two, and then you wash soda. And one wash soda. So soda. Arna sharnita kudza kwa arna sharnita kana kudi antika yo shame shit ichaka tsemukira but anyway it's fine. Then andimuri kuona iyi food yacho iyi food yacho iyi yatotsemukawo saka ndichangoshandisa iyoyi ndoenda kutoshandisa ishi ndo ye food iyi yakatomixwa kudhara ishi iyi yakamixwa kudhara ishi iyi yakamixwa kudhara ishi saka yatsemuka imbera kutoshandisa sa inde fudzi ishi antimaona nde fudzi unouya totengesa wotenga chebe yako kana uchida kumixa wega mbijara is up to you andika kana uchida yakamixwa kudhara itoripo andisimaona zviri kwauri alright. So vhudzi renyu rero ratapinda muwinter guys, chengetedzai vhudzi renyu, harina zvarinoita nechebe. Handiri bring bread, no antina. Harina zvarinoita nechebe. Just to make sure tukuzora kuchasa chebe yako every. Haridambuki. Uchangonopinda musama nevhudzi rako rakanaka, hairline yako yakazara. Haridambuki. Ende vhudzi rinenge ratokura zvokusvika uko. Ari mwana vhudzi rangu rikadai so roita kunge wig, iro riri vhudzi. Ndo zvandongoshandisa izvozvo. I just use this chebe. Kubva kare bva ndikuafrica ndiko advertise chebe, munozviziva imi. Hanomona ndo zvamufanira kuti ndichazoita. I will do it. Ndichazoita. Right, maapapi vasikana? Maapapi? Saka mabo. Alright, no pakanaka. Saka imi mave live right now. Motaura ndipana mukana 1-1 andikavasiri kutaura please mute mafoni yenyu. Toda kuziva kuti ndimiva nani ene nyaya kustai panapa inyaya yei. Yes, I have my Royco and I brought chili, yes, but in the Shangotinga chili shango shemumba. Right, tell right in way. Yes, come on, my champ. Murifamba boy, Remrodu. Muriboy, the champ, we have to. Yes, it's called photo glass.
SIS MELLY. Tine dambudziko, takatengawo blankets. Takatenga tiri segroup. Muna April tichiorder panomukadzi anonzi Samkelisi weNcuve. Anga ne group rake rinoorder zvinhu kuChina. So since tatenga blankets iwawo tikabhadhara mari dzedu dzeshipping. Saka tabhadhara mari dzeshipping pavakazoti blankets avuya. Vakuti tirambe tichibhadhara mari, but blankets acho havasi kutivonisa kuti timavone live kuti blankets awa. Vari kungoti every time bhadharai mari. So hatisi kuona chinhu. Saka tachikumbira kuti tibatsirwe tiwane marefund. Taratata vamwe tatata hatichakwanisi kuramba tichiwana mari, chitidzosera hedu marefund.
Alright, ndira kukubvunza Samkelisi, makamuzire pakamuonepi?
ndakandizivira pagroup negroup rake raanoita vanhu vachijoinisana saka unotiwo kana ukaona vomwe ujoinisa muchijoinisana seizvozvo.
Saka makamuvona pagroup ndibva matoenda kunojoina zvino magroup machira hamuna kumavona makangobhadhara zvinhu zvamusina kuvona. Saka imabhadhara zvamusina kuvona sei maiziva sei kuti kune zvinhu mablankets anouya kana tanakuya makatenga zvamusina kutaridzwa makatenga chii?
waitotitaridza ari kuchaiko kune zvimwe zvinhu zvaanotengesa saka taisitenga kwaari zvinhu zvichitouye asi apa hazvina.
Saka imimi kuti muzotoda mablankets aya ndiweka zvakandiomera hangu nozandigainboxeka. Saka makati kuda mablankets aya makanga mamataridzwa kupi makamaonepi?
Unototi kaushandire masikana anoenda kunotenga mablankets aya anoitazve ndichaina rana rana wekuchaina so anotengera anoadvertisa zvinhu kana aisa otaura kuti zviri kuita mari yakati tobhadhara mari otumira kana kuti oenda. Saka paakaenda mablankets akatoenda akati ndichakuratidzai type yemablankets ndasvikako. Akasvika akatotiratidza mablankets aya. Atiratidza mablankets vanhu tikachuza tikati tiri kuda aya. Tikabhadhara mari dzedu semagrupu vamwe vakazvibhadharira zvavo vegavo. Mablankets akanzi akatouya mablankets ariko kwaari. But iye anga kuzoti shipping acho waakashandisa mablankets abatwa mheno hanzi haana manhingirikini anonzi chiko hanzi akanyorwa nechichina pategi yeye saka ari kuda kunzi anyorwe nerimwe zita nechirungu ndozvabatwa kumapurisa ndobva zvazonzi futi shipping yacho yashipa yainzanzi makopolo. So kumakopolo kuye vanhu vakati chitiratidze kune makopolo tiende saka zvaingotsikwa hatina tiri kunyatsozikanwa kuti shipping nhingirikini kambani yacho chemakopolo yacho chaiyo iri kupi but pane mamwe akaleliswa vamwe vakapiwa vakatenga kubhadhara ma49 aizodiwa pamusoro acho ekunzi magumbezi achitorwa vamwe vakatenga kubhadhara vakamawana but isusu kuru yakazobhadhara kumashure because takatanga tabhadhara ainzi mari guys magumbezi ainzi 1.5 then shipping 75 rand each blanket. So vakazobhadhara futi
1.5 ari mangani 1.5 ari mangani
125 rand really one blanket. Asi haisiyo type yemablankets akanga atiratidza mablankets anozouya zvimafilisi
yes ndozvanaida kubvudza kuti mablankets e125 asikana imimika varitanga kundibata vari kumusora mubvepi chimasvingo chirugwi mubvepi
masvingo
hani munoenda kunokano kwamwe munobva kupi?
isu totobva kwamurewa.
Kono kwamuregwa vanhu kwamurewa muri Harare kaimi makati changam kochiko makasiyana nemi masvingo ako ko makamiwirawo musikamise munotoda kuna iyeyo here munhu iyeyi iye same person
ende asisina kana basa nazvo hachadi kutibetsera akutoti kuri kudiwa mari yese yakasara takaendesa 12,000 saka hanzi vaiva nemablankets havasi kuda kuririsa mablankets vari kuda 49,000
asi pamakatadzwa makaona blanket chinzi 125 maifunga kuti muchaona blanket akaita sei pa 125 rands ndipo makarowa netipa
kuchaina hanzi aitombodzi 50 rand
eka ezve
30 rand ne50 rand
eka muferefefeka wamachira kuti machira izvi zvinenge zvimaketeni kamachira acho kwete jira chero kwamusa munokuziva kujobek kwamusa kumachira
okay kudara hazvo yakachitipa hedu machira acho iwayo zvakazviri mari takazvionera but kwakutobuda nhau yekuti pagurupu racho pane motikari 3 here dzinenge dzakatotengwa nemari yacho because pachavo mene vakutongotitengesa motikari yakatengwa nemari yemagumbeze kudii saka kutoroti pane chitsotsi chiripo mari dzedu dzakatodyiwa
saka ndikuda kubvunza kuti kwamusa munokuziva musa kujobek ko muri kusekei ndikubvunza makambopinda kwamusa saka after yes right saka after marohwa iyi hazvisinani here kunotenga mablankets enyamuri kuona kwamusa than kutumira munhu achikupai arikupai mapikicha ekwamusa iwayo ndo akakutaridzai mapikicha ekwamusa imi mukati shuwa ndiyo kwaliti ndinoda iwayo mukanonigirwa maketeni
matembenanga asina kuipawo kana angatipa zvinochotonetsekana nacho kuramba tichibhadhara mari yezvinhu zvatisina kuona
saka umwe nemumwe akabhadhira mari mune mari makabhadhira mari mesapo
imene yaku 1000 gurupu redu isusu pamari yekutanga inge iri 10,000 isusu igurupu redu isu because haiti each gurupu 10,000 saka kune vamwe magurupu akatorawo vanhu vemuno musouth africa vaye vekubulawa yamino vanenge vachimiririra vamwe ivo vakarifandwa
saka imini mari dzeiza muri kuda kumunhu ma 1000 ai
redu segurupu redu isi tine 10,000 because tikati atipe ma1000 zvinoconfuse tine marisiti edu anongotipa gurupu negurupu rinongoburisa risiti odzorera mari iyoyo kugurupu then isusu tozosheyana mari dzedu
saka mamuri 10 pagurupu 1000 pegurupu
aita abiroti vamuri vangani but iye aita akuda 10,000 pagurupu
saka
$10,000 rands pagurupu
muri magurupu mangani
akazotenga ndoga
muri magurupu mangani
kune vamwe vakazotenga kune vamwe vaitenga vega lakini
okay saka mune magurupu mangani
so far tichatomboziva because anga akawanda vamwe vakarifandwa vamwe vakawana saka gurupu racho akatonyora kuti admin only hakuna munhu unofanirwa kunyora zvaanoda mugurupu racho
saka imi tikamuedha pato kwazopinda try kumuedha toni ndikafunga neblanketi riri kujobek soka jobek neblanketi vakumani chiro kudragon city kuya kuzere machira redu
taida kuita zvokutengisa kuti titengisevo
maida kutengisavo eduwe so mutengisevo motanga nokutengeserwa zvamusina kuona apa motorigwa zvamusina kuona shuwa
tichatomboodha zvimwe zvinhu zvakawanda masesi matisheti chero mishini yemaice cream yakatomboyabva vari kunzi futi vakatovharwa pamishini iyo yemaice cream
she refunded me my ice maker machine.
Wangobhadhira mari?
She refunded me.
Wangobhadhira mari?
It was 4 something, I think.
Wait,
for the ice maker, she gave me back my money. But for the blankets, I had not received anything. And then Takazo Tenga put my tablets. My tablets actually they just got broken over a week, they just broke. And then Takazo Wana put my pants, my underwear pants, Takazo Wana my sneakers. But my blankets we didn't get.
Saka ndamboona ini mapeta makawana ini masnikaya ekuchaina ya anenge ari zvinhu zvamunozotengesa kupi mari zvezvakamira sei
tinotipandisa imomuno zvimwe tinoendesa kumusha
ndinoda kuzama kuti next time pamunoita bhizinesi renyanyitika musaita zvinhu zvokuti munodibwa futi ndosaka ndiri kubvunza hazvisinani here because nemakuriro akaita Joburg mukapinda mutsvaga same things zvamuri kutsvaga zvamuri kutengeserwa kuchaina izvizvo munoziva kuti munogona munozviwana makatodzidzaka zvirimo ende pamunonopinda mushopu yamuya zvinenge zviri mubva muno tinokutenga zvakawanda still munongodzikisirwa price saka pasina shipping pasina chii zvitori chipa kutenga kuJoburg motengesa kumusha than kuti muende kunoningira mongobatanidza mari yenyu moende munotenga in bulk ari kudzikisira imari muJoburg imomo motakura zvinhu zvenyu ipapo moenda nazvo saka uyu munhu rana uyu muZimbabwe
muZimbabwe wekubulawayo saka ane moyo wakashata sereka anogona kutopindura ravo.
Alright, last kuti ndachisa namba yake mudone mimi nditwe mubata toni.
Anogona kuedza
muedze itoni nachuya.
Asipinda ndikuedza asikurisponda.
Akurisponda. Kuti kwa hapana munhu wakabatirwa chibhamu kuti apinde mugrupu abhadhare mari yake ndo mhinduro dzaava kutipa mazuva ano.
Iye munhu ebe hamuna batirwa chibhamu kuti mupinde mugrupu. Saka izvozvi muri kunzibhadhara imwe mari kuti mupuwe muoneswewo machiro acho.
Hazvitofa 9 rand per blanket.
9 rand per blanket. Alright, mirai. 9 rand per blanket. Ini mune mablankets mangani? Une mablankets mangani? 10. Saka pari kudiwa 100 rand. Saka uri kuita wabhadha 90 rand. Apinde. Ndiye ari kutaura here. Yebo Samkeleso. Samkelesa, hello. Ndamba chilepipo. Mbongo pina mnarata nezata ndevere. Ndiye namba ndipena 30. Because pana vanhu 6 hapa. Saka ndizoti ndeupi. Samkelesa, hello.
Ndikutaya kumuedza.
Oh, ndevamwewo.
Inopena 00400.
Asati 0400 ndapinda. Kuri kunzanza neimba yakatovaka last week apa. Yakabudisa last week avaka iye musikana uyu.
Antone mota dzema-Uber. Ndatiri kuresponda.
Munoziva kwaanogara kuJoburg? Ma?
Mazuva ano ari kutya saka hatitombozivi kwaanogara, hatitomboudzi vanhu kwaanogara.
Hamuna kana idea kuti area ipi because togona kutumira vanhu vamutsvage. Area anogara kuarea ipi? Sure, kana musina kana clue totangira pamutsvaka papi naye Mwari.
Aiwa regai titsvage SIS MELLY tinouya nefeedback kuti ari kuwanika papa hashaike.
Saka avo venhingikiri avo vari kunzibhadhirai 9 rand peblanketi vanoda pari kudiwa 90 rand kuti vapiwe machiro avo.
49 rand per blanket.
49 rand peblanketi.
Takaedza kudhara saka mari yatakatobhadhara peblanket now is 250 rand per blanket. Saka kana munhu wakabhadhara
zvamufanira kutenga munhingikiri nekungozvitengera mamusa blanketi zvino.
Takatowedzera kudhara yakatosvika pa 250 kudhara.
Right,
ngaachipiratidza mablanketi acho tibhadhare kana kuti tibhadhare zuva rokutora mablanketi tichimaona zvinoende zvaanorada varipo vakatobhadhara vavane ma3 months vasina mbopiwa.
chindipai nhingikiri zita namba yake moburuka ndomufonera.
+2764.
Aiwa, munonyora kamwendisira paWhatsApp imododi. Alright. Right, chimbo tanga mani panhamba ndifoni tozoposta kana achinga asina kudaira kana kuti akuita zvekundudza kuti chibhamu izvozvo toningiri tozomposta. But mukangoziva kwaanogara chete, mukaziva kwaanogara chete muenda kunotora machiraini, no problem. Because azvishandika 49 per blanket, 200, that's 250 per blanket enyu. That means munhu anenge atotenga jira rakanaka musa muya.
Pane mafilisi haakuramba kutipa ora chitipa mafilisi acho edu hazviswiti.
Makati maona asima blankets acho?
Imi makapikisa saka imi makada kuzvidza makleva kuda kuramba kubhadhara saka
nokupai marifund manje hakuramba kuti refund but akatanga ati vasingati mablankets tokudzoserai mari dzenyu akuti hazvichaita futi tairambira marifund.
Chindipai nhamba mudoni.
ndakudona ngiri ndivasare muchiva panhamba.
Chingonyorai nhamba mubva pari chingodonai munyore nhamba. Donai. Donai. Tu vasarava donai. Chidonai. Hamugoni kudona. Wana asara chidona. Wana asara chidona. My sister donai. Donate. Kutonetsa kuziva kutodona nepapi right. Gaitona tapiwa namba yacho here. Ha. Hane utsiya umana. Una izvi zvavanopiwa. Una izvi zvavari kunzi vanenge vachitengesegwa. Ndozvinhu zvavanenge vachifira izvi. Ndozvinhu zvacho izvi zvavanenge vachifira izvi. Ndo zvavamwe vakapiwa, ndozvinhu zvavakapiwa izvi. Kungoda zita kuti zvabva kuChina chete. Izvi. Ndozvinhu zvavanenge vachinzi vakatengesegwa izvi. Kungoda avo zita rekuti kwai zvabva kuChina. Iyoyo mutebvo wezvinhu izvozvo izvi. Ndo wanoedweka endeka zvakaoma. Right. Gate on. Auye nikis. Vanenge vachitohwasilawo vodhigwa mari. Foni yake haisi kutopinda musikana. Foni yake haisi kupinda, irongoti calling. Foni yake haisi kupinda. Haisi kutopinda, regai ndinetsane naye, haisi kupinda. Akatodzima foni. Auya online. She's now online. Yes, let me call you again. Foni yake irongoti calling but ndikuona kuti ari online. anogona kuva ari pano because atori online. Ari kutaipa. She's now typing. Hi, how are you? I'm very well, my dear. I'm very well. Can we talk? Can you please call me, or can you please answer my call? Titaur. Srama audio. Aripan. Okay, turn. Okay, turn up type. But zvakaipa mufunge. Zvakaipa sterek, it's very wrong. Vana mai vatozama kutoti vatengese vanotengesa kumashingoko. Vatenge zvinhu vanoodha vanotengesa kumusha vobigo. Anditi, I was in a call with the union. I was in a call with union. How is you? What union? Hence you can call as a group call. Okay. Zvanaka manje. Right. Arikuti ngakufonese group call zvanaka. The guy needs okay repaya. What do people know a group? As I see, you were calling me as group. Very good. Don't wanna told that car, I know we stuck that night. Who's not to go expose or can post it. Who's not going to go? Don't ever told that. Who bought it? We are in the group. Those are told us I won't comment section. Don't think This is very nice. It's very beautiful. I like you, Sam Kelo. Thank you very much for coming back and saying, please call me again as a group call. Don't you know that before we destroy your business, to get to town to we send up say, we're gonna sterek. We're gonna well done. Yeah, Pindai was Zarai, Mama 2467. Zarai Makola, Zarai Mose, Murungutina Panap, Zarai 2 nyaya, Zarai Pindai Mose Mukwana, Pindai Mose Mukwana Papa Kola, Pafoni Mukwana, Garsana Papa 22, Mukwana, Pafoni Baba. Right. Some cases, so sorry, just to corner you like that. But I got, I think I've got 3-4 days. These ladies have been coming to me. I don't know the dues. Amaya Paita need these ladies. She take up a supplier. No, tengera jinu kurana. Like I mean, China and order jinu. So, but with Paita conflict, so you keep on demanding for more money. Yet, when I go on a junjo, Machira Chokoya now, Arikuzaripo, but I was and stuff like that. And the Mariatos and Arikiza overboard manje. Saka Pashka Pakutine, Saka didn't go side drop of the story, which you for my second name Maya.
Alright, let me tell you what my side of the story is. Let me try to tell you my side of the story.
Yes.
Alright, I did order the blanket. What so group by me as a container. When I did order the blanket, this company for my component to the same here is a relative did help me to ship the container. But when they were letting the container, I was not there. I came to South Africa because this Chinese that I was working with was arrested of my staff for putting drugs in my staff for branding. So when I came to South Africa and then I asked for my governor to ship for me for the blanket. They took then people will start them the shipping and then we talk for the company for the shipping. So after when the blanket came to South Africa, they told us that the blanket was...
Hold on, Samkelo. Guys, can you please mute your phones, guys? We want respect. Mute your phones. Mute your phones. We can't hear Samkelo clearly because you are making noise in your phones. Please mute your phones. Mute your phones. All of you, mute your phones. Mute your phones. Ane number 92180. Mute your phone yako. Ane number 6819. Mute your phone. Mute your phone. Mute your phones, guys. Imimi too. I don't stop. Mute your phone. My sister Mashingwabo. Mute your phone. Mute your phone. Mute your phone yen. My sister Mashingwabo. Mute your phone. Difficult to understand. No mute your phone. Tasaiba for phone yen, my sister. Pa screen your phone yen. Pa de chunu chinenge chiruwa chilipo so bye papo. Chinu chinenge chimuti so chilipa phone yen pa screen bye papo. Oh my gosh. Can you write down? I'm trying to mute you from this side. Let's see what you mute here. Yeah, the mute. Right, you can go ahead, Samkel.
All right, and then they told me that the blanket, because I have a proof, because I told people even if you go to court, I have a proof of this company. They told us that the container was arrested, and then they did charge us this amount. And then I did send the proof to the group that even yesterday I did talk to this company. The people, they say they don't have money because the money that is left to them now is 42,000, so that they can release the blanket.
So you are saying you were dealing with somebody else, yeah? And the person that you were dealing with got arrested when the goods were being transported to South Africa, right? And then they were handed over to somebody else. And that somebody else put drugs in that container and other illegal stuff.
No, I'm saying for the branded. What I'm talking, I said I was in China. I was in China for the blanket so that I can talk with the supplier so that they can what? They can pack the blanket when I was there. But I did not be there when they were packing it, when they were loading the container because I was having crisis because my boss said he is arrested in South Africa. Because he was carrying my stuff, like he was putting my branded and the drugs that was there inside the container. That's why I came and then I left before in China. I left before they packing the blanket. That's why I came to South Africa. Because I was supposed to wait until they packed the blanket when I was there. So I was having the crisis, that's why I came back.
So the container that brought the blankets had no drugs in it.
No, the container that brought the blankets, there were no drugs. They said the container was for labels. They said there were no labels. That's why the container was arrested.
Okay, so when the container got to South Africa, what happened?
When the container got to South Africa, the company that is Makopola, I'm in the group with Makopola and Ristoni because he helped me with a relative. So when he told us that the container was arrested, and then I thought that if the container is arrested, it's not, they can't charge us, make more money, maybe so. He said the container was arrested. I said, no, we can speak to the debtor if it is arrested. I think the charges that they put. But usually I always hear that the charges are less than, like maybe 20,000, 30,000. So when I asked him how much the charge they will charge, I don't know. She don't know how much they will charge. But after that, he said, no, I paid my money 306,000 to release the container for the blanket because there are no labels.
Oh, so that's why. So this container that was arrested, is it at the police station?
The what?
The container that was arrested. Where did they take it to the police station or what?
No, the container was arrested. The second was arrested in Durban for the labels because I was having the messages that they sent me this company from a
So the container was not arrested. The container was confiscated, right?
Man, if I don't know, but if someone said the container was arrested for label, we're supposed to pay this amount. So I don't know the process of shipping company, how do they work?
Yeah, so it was not arrested because if it was arrested, the container was supposed to go to the cells or to prison. But because the container is with them, but they cannot release it, they confiscated the container. They are holding the container so that you come and pay and it will be released. So it's not arrested, it's confiscated, right? So for now, because the quality of the blankets that these ladies are claiming that you have showed them before, and the type of blanket that you have given to some who have paid you the balance, right, is totally different. So according to them, you are claiming you claim to want 49 rands per each blanket on each of them.
Let me tell you what happened. When this company, my corporate shipping company, they did charge us that they want the 306,000. So we divided that amount in the blanket that we have in the container so that we can come out with 49 rand. Because this company did charge us 306,000. Say they paid for that amount for the container to be released.
Okay, so where are the blankets right now?
The blanket at Macopol to Restonic her relative is the one who's holding the blanket that I left.
So how much is short now?
Now it's short 42,000 because now Aleta was trying to help us. We are selling the machine. There's a machine that we have for ice cream machine so that if we sell it and then so that we can use the blanket for those things in the program.
Oh,
So I was asking for help, and I did ask for help because now I don't have money because I've been finding some people with the local blanket.
Did you show them the blankets, Samkelo?
Ma?
Did you show them the guys? Mute your phones. What's wrong with you guys? I'll drop you.
What happened to me, even now, there are people who are trying to help me, even the union, to win this case. If I can help people that will assist me, we can win. Because this company did put a blanket that I did not sell them in China. Some blankets, they were nice. Some blankets, they were not. I don't want to lie. Even the people who came to collect the blanket, it's mixed with the blanket. But
right.
now I was trying to call this company for China.
Right.
They're supposed to refund me. So I need help. That's why the union, I'm talking with them. They said, no, Sam, you're supposed to come for the blanket. You're supposed to sue them so that you can have more money because they wasted people. They lose more money because the container was arrested again. So now I'm trying to help them. Right now, if I'm put my point, some people they against me, they attack me.
Right.
No, if it is the court case, it's fine. I'll be there so that they can hear the law of my story, what happened.
Okay.
But when they were not in the container, I was not there, my sister.
No, yes, I hear you were not there. Listen, Samkelo, so let's help each other here, right? Yes, you were not there when the container was loaded, right? But you are the owner of this deal, right? These people, they trusted you as their runner, right? Because some of them, they even said before they were even buying some other stock from you and you would deliver, right? So
they trusted me, but now I want someone. If I want, because now I want to fix the blanket so that this blanket that I
right, listen, Samkelo, listen. Let me finish, Samkelo. Let me finish. I hear exactly what you are saying. You are saying, if I heard you correctly, you are saying, right, in that shipping container that they brought, that has got the blankets that are supposed to go to these ladies. There are some other blankets that are okay, and some other blankets that are not nice, that you have never even bought. That means they mixed the blanket in your absentia, right? They put the blankets that are okay and the blankets that are not okay, right? And you only discovered it. You only discovered when the container got to Durban that it's not everything that you have ordered that is there. So now it's not the fault of this your customers. What's going to happen to the customers now? I know there's a process that you want to do, somebody to help you to try and exchange these blankets and whatnot. But it's not the fault of these ladies. Yeah, it's not the fault of the clients. It's you between the seller from China. What you have to do is now you need to negotiate with these ladies, Samkelo. I've been doing business. I'm a businesswoman. I've got a hustling mind. Right? When I'm telling you this, you're not talking to somebody that doesn't even know business. Right? As it is right now, it's not their problem. It's up to you now to speak to your seller in China to say this is the problem that I have. What you are supposed to do is to negotiate with these ladies now. Instead of you telling them that you were not forced, you are supposed to negotiate with them. Ladies, this is what is there. Help me, let's come together so that, give me time so that I fix this thing. Because some of the blankets that are not there, it's not what I ordered. Right? That means even if you are to give others the blankets, some will be short because they will not agree to the blankets that are there because it's not what they ordered. You get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying?
I'm getting what you're saying.
Yes. So the problem now that you are having with these ladies is when they ask you, you are answering them rough. Yeah, you are being arrogant to them. You are not even humbling yourself to speak to them because remember they paid you, right? They put their trust. My sister, even if it's 1,000 rands, these ladies are struggling in SA. Yeah, they are struggling in SA. Also to you, that 1,000 rands, it's money, it's profit to you. So what you do that's where when we put that saying that says a customer is always right. You talk to your clients, you negotiate to your clients, but if you tell them, I'm not batting what you bam, then that's rough.
But I never do that to the customer.
But they said that you said and then the group is closed. The group is closed. It's only the admin that can talk. They can't even ever say. Because the group is closed. They can't even talk to you because the group is closed. Panguma, at a time like this, Samkelo, you open a time like this, you open the group. You let them share what they think. Let them vent. Let them talk. Hey, let them talk. Because remember, they've been waiting for this blanket. Right now we are in October, right? It's only 1 month, December. Some had already ordered this blanket so they can sew to have something for the kids for Christmas. There's no stock. So So you have to understand their frustration and anger, right? Instead of you shouting back at them, you have to humble yourself and speak to them. You can't lock the group when there's crisis like this. Yeah, you have to open the group and work together with them. I'm sure they are here, they are listening to me. Here, I'm trying to find a solution for all of you guys. I don't want to throw you under the bus as it is right now, because I hear what you are saying to say you need somebody who will represent you also, because there is also a mixture of, you know, junkies and good things in the container. Some things that you haven't bought, that were put in the container because you were not there. So, did you explain to them that in the container, not every, even right now, if you have to give them the blankets, not everyone is going to get the same quality of blankets? Did you explain to them?
Also, I did explain to the people, and then we did open the blanket, because now when we receive the blanket, we're opening all the blankets so that people can select the blanket when they are taking the blanket.
But there are some other ladies who are saying they've never seen the blankets. They don't even know what you have, what you brought.
Me, I don't have the blanket now. The blanket I at my purpose, they said they want the man that is remaining. But the blanket that I paid for 100,000 and 100, I paid my purpose 264,000. They did relieve the blanket, and then people came and collected the blanket.
So how do you know that in the container that is left there, since you haven't seen the blankets that are left at the port, how do you know that there's a mixture of junkies and good blankets in there?
Well, for us, we were opening all the blankets when they come. If I receive maybe more than 40 blankets, 40 bills, we were opening all the blankets and we put it down. Well, people can come and say this.
So with this Marco Polo, who's the owner of this company?
It's Marco Polo.
Who owns is it a white guy, an Indian guy, or what? Who owns the company?
No, it's not a white guy. It's a black woman. It's a black woman.
It's South African or Zimbabwe?
I'm not sure what it is, because they say it came here a long time ago in South Africa.
Do you have their number so that you can try to add them on this call? Can you try to add them on this call, on that call?
Yes.
Guys, mute your phone. Guys, those who are just coming in, please mute your phone. Check on me. I charge with side, but because phone is with noise. Mute your phone, they need. Right, try to add them. Let's hear. Marco Polo yo.
Because if you want to get in the blanket, you want to get in this group.
You want to get in the group? Why?
The last time, even the union, they wanted to talk to you. He said, no, as for his doing business, he wants his money only. He did not come to the union.
But does he know what he's dealing with now? That is no longer the union that is taking. The union does not do anything. As we are socialites, we would scatter the business. And it will be very hard for you guys to wake up again. We will scatter your business. We are dealing with social media now. And you know how powerful social media is. So I don't know. Can you please talk to this Marco Polo? Because right now, people, they want transparency. You know the mistake that you did from the way to go Sam Kelo. You were not honest and transparent with these people. If you were, they wouldn't have come to me. You were supposed to be working together. And then you solve your issues, and then you see, guys, this is the issue. What do we do now? Because this is what the problem that I'm facing right now. But the problem, you were answering why you're into a raffle. You were not even lenient them. You're not even humbling themselves. That's what the problem is now.
I do not do that. Even if I went to court, I never say you have to the people. I was telling
Auntie, you send a fake address in the group. Of which, if you have nothing to hide, you don't have anything to hide, my sister. You would say the truth, and people would see that you are saying the truth.
I did not send the fake address. This company, Marco is the one. I did not meet with Marco in the office. The office of Marco, it was there in the email. We did send the email of Marco. What he said gonna auction the blanket if you don't pay the blanket. The address was there down for the Marco.
So what you are owing 40,000 right now? Is it 40,000?
42, because yesterday Marco was calculating the money that you send, the money that is left.
Right. Let's make a deal here, my dear. This is not a problem of these people, yeah. But I'll be very much happy to speak to them. Probably, maybe they contribute, but not 49 blanket, not 49 rand per blanket, not that. So that you cover the rest.
I want to talk. What I was thinking, my sister, we have the machine that we have for ice cream machine.
Yeah.
I was thinking to sell those ice cream machine because now the union they were
Yeah. Yes. Sell the ice cream machine so that you pay. It's true. That's good.
Even the group, if they assist me, it's fine because someone contributed the ice cream machine so that you can sell and release the people to the blanket. Because as for me, I'm speaking to commit suicide because I'm under pressure. I'm not refusing the people blanket. I want to that even if they want to come to me tomorrow, I can meet with them. Even I went to the police. The police, they said you're supposed to pay that money. Then
yes, you are supposed to. I also am with the police.
I need to help.
Alright, how much is the ice cream machine? Let's see the ice cream machine. How much is it? Now you are talking. That's what you are supposed to say. You know what, guys? I've got a machine that I want to sell that I can pay the Makopolis that I can give people their blankets.
The machine, I don't have the machine. The machine is someone in the group call assisted me and I just said, no, send my machine. And then you're going to pay me later and help the group so that they can get their blankets.
Where is the machine? Let's see the machine. Even the car that you received last week, the beds, you can sell it and you can cover these people.
I have the machine is here. That's why I was trying to look for the customer. I posted in the Facebook to look for the customer.
Let us see the machine. Let's see the machine because we can find somebody who can say, let's see the machine. Because instead of you killing yourself, it won't help. Killing yourself, you go.
Do know that the pressure that I have for the blanket since day one.
Yeah, of course, because it's their money. They'll give you pressure because they give you money. So the pressure, you must feel it, my dear. Hey, but let's wait.
Everyone knows my story.
Yes, but you can't blame these people as well. So we hear you correctly, Samkelo. We hear you, but right now you can't blame these people. What is there is for us to find the way forward. What is there is for us to find the way forward? You can't blame them. So right now you've got a way forward, so it's okay. Let me see the machine. Send it to my WhatsApp. Let's sell the machine. Is it brand new or what? But a car was faster to sell. Even if the machine is slow to sell, you can sell the Benz, the car that was given to you last week. That one.
My car was. I don't have a car now. My car was. It was involved. People know my car is in my church. It was involved in the car accident.
The one that you posted last week.
What?
The one that you posted last week.
Car? No, it was from someone in the group that I was selling. For someone in the group was selling the car. I don't have it. If I was having a car, I was gonna say, like, people here is my car.
Yeah, because you need to make a plan. Anyway, I'm willing to help you, my sister. Let me see the machine. Let's sell the machine, right? And you take the blankets. We want, as soon as the machine is bought, we need those blankets to go to these people to their owner. If there's a mistake with those blankets, then see what you can do. Talk to people. You don't speak rough to these people because they paid you their money, right?
I have to have someone who said I talked to Raf, they came for me, but I don't remember I was taking to Raf.
Maybe because you were under duress as well. You could have said Raf because you were under duress as well. My sister, you might have said draft because you were also under duress. Remember, you are also under pressure. So to somebody, maybe you thought you said something, politely, but to somebody else it was offending. It was rough, kind of. But it's okay. Let's work towards that. These people get their blankets before mid-November, because by 15, everybody must have gotten a order. All of them.
It's wrong.
Huh? Are you talking to me?
Let me send you the local. I mean, I'm not refusing. Even the people that can meet me, I am not refusing.
No, meeting you is not a problem right now. Let's forget about meeting you. I am involved now. Let's forget about the meeting. I am involved now.
Remove it. It's wrong.
Hello?
Hello, Smelly.
Yes?
Advantage because one cool and I understand the social media. I was in one of the groups and it. Trust me.
Love. Are you? Do you have? Hold on. Do you have blankets that are with some Kelly?
Fix your pants.
Whenever blankets are some Kelly. Waka une order yere yiri kuna samkelo because kana usina order iwewe right now ati solution kuti mablankets aende kuvanhu handika zvekuti dini because I know what you're saying but tiramba chidzokera kumasure at least right now she's working with us handika haana kuramba she is working with saina ndongeri chitororo because ari kubvuma kushanda nesu handiti saka ndachimoshanda nesu right now zvimwe zvokuti kudai for now tiri kushanda naye chatiri mablankets kuvanhu ataura ndine ice cream machine yanda kutengesa I am going to help you post that ice cream machine ichingouya munhu wese kumablankets ake handiti saka tidzokere kumasure ka tinoramba tiri panyaya yawo hani tutakutsvaga way forward pano kuti madzimai aya iwo asingazivi social media aya awane mablankets awo ukuwisa mninongo yes vanachivakaoma musoro itinovanunyutai vanhu vanovhura taura
since April patakaorder mablankets aya mastori asamu zvavo akawandisa it's okay achadhara but she should stop doing that to a fellow Zimbabweans akatumira mafake mugroup fake slips fake address yekurunbag yamakoporo iyaya ari kutaura akatumira shamwari dzake dzikanyepa dzikati taenda kupolice don't worry kesi yakupolice izvo mafriends ake izvezvi kugroup lanotumira mameseji vachituka vachiti makapusa makatumwa nani kuya panapa here this and that ndiilima venipatole ibhamu na ye friends iye anotiza ukafonera samu habati phone.
Also, your friends are saying that it's not here who's saying that. Samkelo, why are your friends in the group? Hold on, I hear you, dear. I heard you. Hold on. Samkelo, why are your friends in the group terrorizing these ladies? Why?
Because I never send someone to shout in the group.
But when you are reading the comments, when you are reading the comments,
what is happening? Some people in the group they come. I can show you the message. Some people in the group they come to the inbox and then they shout and then they put some like scary things. And I never come to.
But you are the adminica. You are the owner of the group. Why would you let your friends? Because this group is closed. Only your friends can talk in the group. That's not fair. For you to leave your friends to write such kind of nonsense in the group because you know the group is closed, they can't write anything, and they are saying, "Oh, that nonsense." Then it's wrong.
I opened it because some people they say the data is eating from them. Now I open the group, sister. I open the group.
Samu terera Samu inini ndokuziva ndiri mwana mudiki kwauri usingaiti ende unoda kuzviita bandita usi bandita wakapusa ndandakakutarisa zvangu wakatumira imba yako mugroup yo do you know that do you know I have your address unoziva don't do that usadaro
I don't know the house. For me the house my friend I don't have house.
nditumira izvo zvisina pamuri papita itori nezita rako yosamutaliso munuve
utumira rati imba yacho uoni chikinini ndinayo imba yacho to what happened to that house.
You should stop lying. Don't mistake yaunayo kudhera uchinyemba kubva muna April ine mari dzeduyo. Since April.
I bought the house and I can go to the house. I don't have house.
From that group, some of us we were removed from that blanket group, but the person called B, I don't know. They removed us from the group.
Why?
We were removed.
Why?
I don't know.
Samkelo, can you please add everybody back in the group, including myself? Please add me in that group and add all these ladies back in that group.
Don't know what's her name. She removed us from that group.
Don't worry, you'll be back in the group. I'll also be with you in that group. Can you please send everybody in the group? And my sister, what kind of machine that you saying you have? Because I'm trying to look for a way forward. The machine that you say you have, can it worth 50,000?
That machine is costing, because in town there is 60-something thousand. It's costing, I did send you the picture for the machine.
Let me see.
The one on the video. Because it's for someone in the group is trying to help me with this machine.
The audio, the video, okay. But now this machine you can't sell it for 50,000, probably. No, it's a nice machine, but I don't think you'd sell it for that much. I don't think so. I once bought something like this. China. It was never that amount. I mean, guys, do you see the ice cream machine? This is the ice cream machine that she's talking about. Because what we want now is for these people to get their blankets, and then they exit your group.
What I tried to other platforms, they're trying to help you to sell this machine.
Yes, I will also post to sell the machine, but let's agree here. We need a date, my sister, so that you cover. Please add me in the group and make me an admin too. I want to be an admin in your group. It's not that I want to say something or I want to control. I just want to stop your friends from saying rubbish to these ladies. Because once they do go after you, we will not go after your friends. We'll go after you. And that won't be nice. You see? So let's work together nicely. We want a date so that we know by this, everybody would have their blankets.
Because I tried yesterday to talk to my company, I can show you the message. He said if you will negotiate and give me the whole amount, you're gonna pay for the storage and release the blanket this month. They told me like that yesterday because I was trying to call to my company. I did talk to my company yesterday, and then I did send the message to the group. They said they want their money, full amount, and then they release because they are not yet paid the storage because of our blanket. They told me like that.
Yeah, I do get what you are saying, but now remember our goal now is for us to have that money so that you can go and pay, and that money is not going to come from these ladies. You know, they don't have. For them to give you 1,000, imagine somebody just paying you 1,000, 5,000 to order blankets for you. That means they're desperate and they don't have the money. Because if they had the money, they would pay something like more than 100 blankets and more. For someone to buy 5 blankets, that means they don't have money.
What happened to this girl who's helping with the machine? Because last time, it was like 2 months back, someone in the group called Nox, he did pay her money to release other people blankets. But people, when they were collecting, they were collecting, paying those 49 rand so that he can get their money. Because this one, the machine that someone is helping me is inside the group who's helping me with the machine so that we can pay this.
My biggest worry now is the machine now. Are we going to get a buyer for 40,000? Because I don't know.
What 4,000? Because we did reduce it to 30,000. Because last time we were selling this machine for 35. But now we reduce the money for 30,000. Because for the small one, we're selling it 22,000. But the big one, the machine is expensive. The big one.
Yeah, I know the big one is quite expensive. It's true. It is expensive.
The big one and the small one is different. Because
I know.
Time if you check my first, I was selling the small one.
I know.
2,000.
I know.
But this girl is not my machine. He's trying to help me in the group. Say, no, I'll give you the machine and then you pay me back money so that we release the people blanket.
Yes, that the person is. I think the person is somebody you have worked with for quite a long time. I could trust now. Of which I'm sorry to say, with Matanga on the wrong foot name at Maya and one. So let's just guys, is very bad. Fake it till you make it up on social media. But Chatakudan talk to Mari and the Kuvan. I think I say Mariku Makopolo Kachona and then I take a blanket. So do you mind giving me the number for this Makopolo? Let me confirm what you told me, that you spoke to Makopolo and they really want 40,000.
Yeah, I can give you the number. Is this the number? I can give you the number that I sent you.
Yes, send the number there.
It's the number I gave you. It's the number I gave you for the cause. The problem is the company does not show us the company. The number I gave you, but the relative is in the group. Her relative is the Rostemic because I trust her because she did help me. Is her relative. Because when you pay, you always release the blanket. Because that's the time I paid 29,000, it did release the blanket. First trip we did pay 100,000, it did release the blanket because we have all the proof of the man that we did send it.
So where are you when they release the blankets? Where do you collect them?
The blanket, I'm paying. I'm the one who's paying you. I'm paying the storage.
Yeah.
And the truck came and then they release the blanket.
Or you are paying the storage where they put the blankets?
No, if the blanket are coming, we look for the place so that the container. Because now I don't have the storage. If they bring the blanket, they want. We pay. They tell us now. We are bring the blanket. Look for the place. Last time we were at my morning, we did try to look for so that you can pay for the blanket.
Okay, no problem. Let's not only base on the machine, on the ice cream machine as well. As much as you send me this, I will also post those things. So you tell me where to get. In fact, if somebody wants to see the machine, are you comfortable for someone to come and see the machine in person?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable 100%.
Okay, so when I get a buyer, they will come to you straight and they see the machine because they need to test it, right? They see the machine, they test it, and then if they want it, then you can do the deals, right? What I just want to know, to hear is, at a certain date, probably that these ladies, they've gotten their money. Anyway, I'll be in the group, add me in the group, and make me admin, so that I will also be, I am now their voice, these ladies. Since you've got friends that are writing nonsense about them in the group, I will also be the voice in the group. Unless you add them back, all that you have removed, and you remove your friends from the group. Yeah. Because they are now making it worse for you. Instead of making it better, they're making it worse for you by going in the group and insulting these people. Hey. Guys, we're copying that. Mute your phones, man. Alright. So, guys, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to be in the group, right? And let's give it a week. I'm going to post that ice cream machine as well. Kune munari business minded somewhere. I know going to that machine we could piece up Africa. I told her get primary, especially when we're Zimbabwe. Your business idea. Imari gashuba kutindo. Kune machine wako mutinga generator ako onesa pa gede rechikoro. Imari yakati nto kushibai. Ndomu kutaza tinazvokuita mari. Andimaona business here. Andimaona. And one thing machine also madzima yawo ndewake iye. And aruda machine anoenda pa ground. Ono ona machine, or test machine, right? I will tell you where to buy the liquid ice cream machine. Antika mu panis by what? Spin up job baker. Panis by what? Panis by factory ma ice cream. You in them would take us taking some ice cream. Panis by what? Pa spin up job baker man. This you know see way. Panis by what? Just see, but I will look for the others for you. Whatever pick up for the ice cream. Papa one. Will not the machine you test the ice cream. And more. So panguwa you know scanner. Because this is very pano. Through our way forward, to let him put my blankets in you. So I mean, Mamma Mariam Chavisa, Kuna Sam Kelo. Sam Kelo is going to sell the machine. I will help you sell the machine. Let's work together, all of you. Let's shabaza ice cream machine yake. Antika Takaita buyer rukwenda pane machine. Rona machine. Dirune to pa ground. Aona machine apeza. Otakuna machine wake ompa mali yake. Sam Kelo then remove group name. Oenda kuno badara machira. Antika mopi wa machira in.
But what I want to know, how many groups that here in the groups, how many their blanket is how many?
Okay, I don't know. Let them talk. Guys, how many are your blankets here in this group?
Mine are 10.
Huh?
Mine are. Because I want to know, because if they are taking for free, because there are some people that are supposed to know how much are supposed to refine that kill, how many blankets are in this for this.
Okay, how many munimangan guys? Munimangan that's what munimangan blankets magan. Taura it is good.
I've got 24.
We are at 10. We are at 24. That is 34.
8.
34 plus 8 guys. Verengai. Chi. 42, right? Come in.
24.
42 plus 24. Chi guys. 42 plus 24. 6. 66. Come in. Shaka woman. And to put that, you didn't want mute and put the music. What shall you come by say? Yeah, Muru Vravoto to the music. What are the guys? 66.
I was supposed to speak to this girl because I was wanting to calculate because this girl, what did she promise me to do? He said when she served the machine, she will be there when people collecting and then will receive their money. So that's why I want to calculate it how many blankets are there so that I can tell you the truth. If I can't afford that amount, I can't afford.
Panel 60. So far we are 66. Panel Matani 40 chi. Panel Matani 40 chi.
At 42. Got 42.
Saga 60 plus 42, guys. 66 plus 42.
My sister, if that amount can be more, because right now I don't have money, because I want to calculate how many blankets for this group.
66 plus 22. 66 plus 42, how much is it? 108.
28 takatobhadhara ma49 rand acho pa28 atiri kutaura takatopedza zvese tangosara kuriswa kwemablankets
hoi makatobhadhara ma29 ayo
ma49 rand pa28
I'm saying those who did not pay 49 rand because I want to calculate because now this girl who we agreed on collection of people, she wants her money when we release the blankets. That's why I want to calculate. If I afford, I can say yes. If I don't afford, I can say no in front of the people because I don't want to promise people lies. Because you said when you said the ice cream machine, when people are coming to collect, you're gonna be there taking her 49 rand so that you can recover her money that is sold the machine.
What about that?
So what about
you paid long time ago? My company said no. If you pay a full amount, you're gonna release all the blanket that is left because the storage count does not have money to pay the storage. So if you pay the money that is remaining, you're gonna release the storage, and then after that, the people that will pay for them rand gonna release everything. All the blankets supposed to release it and supposed to pay for the storage because the storage does not belong to you. He told me like that yesterday.
Watora samudhani asina kuya nemari motengesa nditi wagara unotengesa asina kuya kuzotora mablanketi otengesa mablanketi okabva mari
aiwa atitombodaro edu zvema49 peblanket izvo iproblem yakaisi problem yawe madzimai arungu guys imakatobhadharawo taflaki makatobhadhara taflaki mufanira kumupiwa mablanketi enyu but vamwe vari pagroup apa colapa vasina kubhadhara ma49 matauro ari kuita haisi.
No, see that as for me, I'm in a tough time. I don't want to lie. Because this girl who's selling the machine, he said, why she will be there when people are collecting. Because last 2 months back, there's someone who helped us with the money. When people were collecting, he was taking those 49 and people were paying on storage, the union company.
So what you're saying, you want people to pay the 49 rands?
Yes, so that we can get, because we agreed, said, no, if I sell the machine, I'll be there in storage. When people come in to collect, and then I have my money. So that I can recover my money. Because we want to do another.
Okay, ladies, are you willing to pay my 49 rand per blanket? The blankets can I put that good release? Are you partner release? Are you willing to pay? No, Badara. I mean, Masinaku Badara. Could never snack Badara.
Because I want to know how many. Because when that guy for estimation, if I tell as the want their money, they can.
So me give us some time to talk also. Blanket. Hey, but now the man.
Can you come again? We didn't hear you.
And number 49 rand and look at that. It's a bit of Marema Blank. It's a bit of my shipping from Soro Park. Now we do not have man that Sukudama Blank is the case.
Right, Ramwe.
Osnelli. Mina bengicela usibuzele kusamukeli or what happened to the shipping money. If she can explain what happened to that 100,000, then some of us will be able to pay those 49 rand. Because when you ask what happened to the 75 rand, we don't get the straight answer.
The shipping money was paid. When I'm paying the shipping money was paid by using it in the electronic account. Because when you are paying shipping, there's an amount that we deduct in China. Amount.
I'm saying
proof, please. We want proof.
I've been asking this question every day. What happened to our shipping money? Can explain to this Nelly what happened to the shipping money?
It was paid. The shipping money was paid because the container can't come in the South Africa when it is not paid.
And
Makopa is the one who was shipping the shipping, and then the container when it was arrested, he said the one is the one who paid that amount for that shipping.
By the time you only showed us the 300 invoice, 300,000 invoice is the only one that you showed us. But we asked you show us the one for the 400,000 for the blanket before this other one.
Now, Makopolo denial antipa. I'll call the Makopolo sometime tomorrow because now obviously Vavara. Murkona Juquitica, Terra Mundo Juquitica, uyu msikana uyu samkelo mandusara zvataura ari kuti andina cash andina mari yekuti ndibhadhare uku Saka mugroup make mune munhu akatenga machine. Andizi. Saka munhu akatenga machine right now ari kuti ndokupa machine wangu wotengesa antika wobhadhara kumakopolo kwacho. Then pana release mablankets vanhu ava pavachaiva vachitora antika mablankets avo vachiona because havana kuona mablankets andi havana kutaridza mablankets pavachaiva vachitora mablankets avo antika vobhadhara ma49 rand achikolekta mari yake kuti akwanisa kutenga umwe machine. Apa ari kureleasa machine kuti autengese vakwanisa kukavha cash kumakopolo. Muri kupanzikisa here pane nyaya yachona? Muri kupanzikisa? Then makopolo kana yapiwa mari yayo ikandisa mablankets ava panotora ningikiri mablankets avo vachibhadhara ma49 ayaya uye achikolekta mari yake kuti ikwane kuti abeki mari yemachine waakambotenga. Hamuri muri kupanzikisa here ipapo?
Because he told me like that. She's in the group said, no, I'll sacrifice with my machine. Because my couple said, only this month gonna charge us the storage. Only this money want the money. So that they came with
because they show my blankets panora mariko storage money nge charger. Do chokwadi. Pa blankets kwa right now akaramba ariko storage iri kucharge. But what I want to know now, Marie shipping money so when you the shipping money, you have a charge away from where it go. Where did it go?
It went to my company. We paid to my company the shipping money. Everything was paid by your restoring because my account was freezed. People were putting money to restoring. You paid because we were in the group with Marco Polo. He received the money for shipping. And then after that, we did not know that the container was arrested. He said the container is arrested. He showed us the proof because for the container they just sent us the invoice. No, there were no invoice. Once they were saying the container was arrested, they didn't send us the invoice.
Of course, you can't get an invoice if the container is confiscated. You don't get the receipt. There's no receipt that you get.
But I will show you the one they sent for this company. I will show you.
My blankets guys, the blankets went to the storage because she did not have money to pay them. And uyaka kunobhadhara mari kupoti kuti vamupe atore zvinhu zvake saka anga asina mari. The company had no choice except kuisa mustorage nekuti ari kufanira kubhadhara iye kustorage ikoko. Muri kunzwisisa here? Munenge muri kuvhekisika panyaya yenini? Muri kunzwa here? Zvinhu pazvakasvika dei vanga vane mari yacho vakangopa mari isina kuenda kustorage vakati vakapiwa zvinhu zvavo ipapo, but because vanga vasina mari antika muridzi wecontainer akati saka inda kuisa kustorage because ndokuzvichengetera pai kusvikira mauya nemari yangu ndokuvhurira storage ndokupai zvinhu zvenyu. Hati muri kuona?
But you said you were supposed to open the case because she will win the court case. She told me like that. You go to case because we are the one who know you owe them because the container was arrested. She had the proof, all the proof of the container. But as for me, they did not give us the proof. They just gave us the container was detained. And then with that detained, we did send. I would look for the
in why move guys nya kune vanhu vanoziva zvinhu zvemacontainers. Shipping yakasvika, container yakasvika, asi container rakabhenge rasungwa murodhi. It was the container was arrested. Hadi muri kunzwa? The container was arrested murodhi. Raka obvious kuzoreleaswa kuti rifambe rakabhadharwa nemakopolo. Muri kunzwisisa here guys? Container rasungwa antika uyu makopolo from what I'm understanding kana kuziva knowledge yezvanoziva inini vanokurisa zvinhu kubva kunze uku antika rikasungwa because inembobatirwa mafuta achibva kuNigeria ari mucontainer kuziAfrica uku rikasungwa andimaona kwari parinenge rabatwa zvimwe zvinhu zvisingadiwi imomo kati zvirisese antika vecompany vanobhadhara kuti varelease vanotodhisa kuti zviriliswe saka vadhisa uyu wecompany yenenga kuchiti manje rakasungwa saka ndiri kudawo chi kuti kabva mari yanga ndakabhadhara uku dho isiri mhosva yavo. Muri kuona pane tsotsi yacho? Ndo pane tsotsi yacho ipapo because apapa even uyu Samkelo was not even supposed to pay nikiri kubatwa container kusungwa ku container because haisi mhosva yake. Imhosva yemakopolo. Makopolo ndeva ungodi kungodhila ne-customs ikoko yopedza ne-customs. But uyu akabvuma chizi rambobatwa saka toda mari yakati. Hani muri kuona after abhadhara shipping money antimaona ndo pane era ipapo.
Tiri kuzinzwa zvamuri kutaura asi vanhu vaMwari toda kuti titaure nyaya iyi chibva yatiga chibva yapera. Inini pari kungondirwadza ndepekuti vanhu hani muri kunzwa vangadai vakataura ivo madzimai Samwa naRestonic. Vakabva vataurire vanhu chokwadi ipapo kuti red way kana mukasabhadhara ma49 aya hakuna refund. Dai vanhu vakangobhadhara nyangwe dai zvaitirwa zvaiti nekuti isusu takatobhadhara. But mablankets asha asi mablankets edu atakatarisira ba. Mamwe acho atori mafleece.
Aha. Exactly. Ndopandikuda kuti vakadzi ava, they were not even supposed to pay a cent because haisi mhosva yavo. Hanimona, it's between her and the makopolo. Hanimona, izvo kuti mune mafleece mukati zvataura kuti hanzi ina ndina kutenga mafleece. Ndakazongona mesa mafleece nemablankets amakanaka mamwe asi mafleece. Haisi futi mhosva yevakadzi ava mabias. Hanimona, imhosva yake uyu nasela wake. Hanimurikuona. Ava vana mhosva kuti saka ndachitinira vangubhadhara mari. Hanimurikuona. Haisi mhosva yavo.
There's someone who wanted to help me, but they said they want to go. There's someone in the group who works and works. He said, no, if you finish this thing for blanket, if everyone calls their blanket, I think you're going to get more money if you sue the company. And then that money is going to use you're going to win this case because it's what you did not order. It's about to go to ambassador for China. Right now, I don't have energy to go there because I've been through a lot of wanting to fix the blanket so that people can get their blanket. But they said they will help me. They're going to go with me to China so that they're going to sue this company for China. Because I did send them, I have the proof. I did send them everything, even the blanket. I have the proof. Said you're going to go to ambassador first.
So you bought, you showed the Chinese what you wanted and they mixed the blankets. So now if you are to pay this 40,000 and this Macopolo will release the things to you, obviously the blankets are not the same. They are this fleece blankets and they are original blankets. Who's going to get the fleece?
Some people they want them. They did check the fleece. Some people they say the fleece are fine. Some people they say they're interested in blankets, but for the fleece, some people they were selling them 600. What I know. But
you know what? I don't want to lie. Those fleece you can't sell 600. This is some. Let us say the truth. Please, I'm not yet to take them Zim. I want to send them Zim. I'm not going to sell this. I'm going to sell $20. It's lost. But I just want to say I got something. I got something.
Guys, kune uyu munhu uyu angane vanhu vakawanda, angane magroup akawanda, maorder akawanda, saka vamwe vakabhadhara, kune mari imwe yakabhadharwa kukariliswa zvimwe. Hani mukona vakabhadhara pekutanga zvakariliswa zvimwe ndope vakaona mablankets aya. Hani mukona muri kutorasika nyaya zvekutodaro, makatorasika zvekutodaro. Pane ekutanga group rimwe rakabhadhara mari yayo iyoyo mari dzari kudhimanda idzi vakapiwa zvinhu zvavo. Ndikunyepera here guys. Aha.
They paid 254 other group. First group they paid 100,000, and then we did transfer the money to Makopola. The proof and the one who was transferred. Second group we did through the money. We did transfer, and then they released the group. This is the blanket that I look. Many people came to collect the blanket, but the problem now is that they can't release the blanket because we sent 12,000 last week. 3 weeks back. We did send 12,000.
SIS MELLY.
Hello? I can't remove the blanket. I want to remain that is just because the storage is charging. You don't have the storage. Even you can wow.
Yeah, charging now the storage. This I think my blanket about it are really good. Because the storage is much sticking van. At the moment, it is much as look little Wakazana. My blankets are Bariko, Wakazana, and blankets are no one. And the moment storage share my children, I sit down at the actual. Tower I push the book.
Alright, ndoda kuti maybe kana kuti vanoziva company yacho yema-Chinese kuti iri kupi, ndichauya ku-inbox vondipa ndotrya kuenda ikoko directly so that I can help them since vakaita payment and then they got mixed zvinhu zvisiri right.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yes. So I don't know how to get to your inbox so that I can get their number.
Now we've got a daughter in China and I put in the name group. You know the name group. Then one part tells the essay, you end up at ground.
Directly, then I will talk to them and then we fix everything. SIS MELLY.
Works in South Africa. He said, no, I will prepare to go with you. But to China, no one I can say because this China is insane. This guy for so if you go there to China, gonna win the case and then you open the case against them, we're gonna get millions, and then she said he will go with me to China so that he can help the group. If you find that man,
No, that is too late. You can go at your own time. But right now we've got somebody on the ground.
And also, you get that money. Are you going to share that money with those people who bought those blankets?
yes, okay, because I can't go, I can't do this. I don't know that people gonna help me who are educated than me. They who have the law. They said they're gonna take this to the law. They said they're gonna announce it to the group when I'm going with them. From now they want us to.
No, there is something fishy because kanaka matenga kuna ku China SIS MELLY. Chinese anetsi. Unongodzokera ne receipt yako.
I can give you the contact of the company that I went to China. I can give you all the contacts that
Yes, give me everything, kuno kuku inbox. Then when you give me that, I will go there in person and then add you on video call. And then when did you buy the blankets? I will go there in that company directly so that we can confirm. If they mixed your blankets, they must compensate everything. If they give you what you didn't order, then we pick it up from there. I'm here just to help these ladies because they need their money and they need their stuff.
I can give you all the proof of the script that I was.
She's agreed to say thank you. She's agreed.
Yes.
Now, my dear, only we better say to some group to say and you want to find a grade.
Talk about type of number SIS MELLY.
Power up my number down the WhatsApp. The UK now.
Ndizo dzakapinwa range +264.
Adzisi must fight down the UK. Tiri kupiwa vatisese guys. Ese vasiti kumapiwa uyo badzifambira achiti feedback mugurupu.
Yes, SIS MELLY.
Saka aningira kupinda mugurupu saka now zvajeka. Zvajeka now. Zvachipinda mugurupu muya.
Because we were removed.
Aiwa makupindawo guys akuna ngakusara panze wese ane machira asina kureleaswa kuti kudzokera mugurupu. Kudzokera mugurupu tose. Saka ndisingazozivi kuti gurupu iri rine vamwewo here kana kuti ndimo kuti tinoda gurupu revanhu vane machira akabatwa chete. Hatindi kupinda mune vamwe kutaura kuti
It's why zvati kukudzai. Vanhu vakatobuda vakaexista group iyo. Saka chakunesa nechekuti kana sister Samo vakaenda vakapuhwa something, vanhu ava vachazoziva here kuti pamafree site takakuhwayaya.
my sister, I think bato makumanya.
Vanabasa, imini murukuda zvenyu.
Kwa kutoenda pakusena, ifuna kuti kufaita mablanketi yabude, anti uya asana tombopuwa kana million, asana tomboripota kana nyaya yacho, uya asana tombodzifambira. Zvinotoda kuona kana million asana asimbo yatisina kubata takutonudza focus. Delay apana pachimirira million asingabudi kana tangamuda. For now, tombotangira kuti zviregedzwe. Uya anohwisisa kuti chii chakaitika necontainer. Antika ende mechinhu chitengesa kuti kuburitse machira nyaregedzwe. Uya akaground cows. Ndiyese ndipa answer yekuti zvakafamba sei. Then tozotangira ipapo kana kuchizobuda mamiliyoni vanokotsva vanhu vayavotsoka. Zvinotoda kumhanyisa chiri mbiri right now. Tinotodza kubata kana 1.
Aiwa, takutoda kuti tizive nokuti vanhu vese vari mbere mugroup.
As long murima mu group there is nothing wrong caller. Mirirai zvenyu vakabuda.
SIS MELLY, uyu makopolo uyu. Ari kushamwari yaSamo inonzi Ristonic. Ndimainini vamakopolo uyu. So handisi kuziva kuti sei vari kuti havasi kugona kutaura nauyu. Imo mune mwana wavo mwana washamwari yaSamo. Iriyo mainini vamakopolo. Saka china Ristonic ngaamboconnect ataure namainini vake. I can give you the proof. Yesterday I talked to him, said, can you try to talk to my couple? I said, no. She's angry with her. She wants the money. She don't. That's why I think atiboswera tichitenderera makoporo dai anga makamunhonga kuroti makoporo wakatoratidzwa neshamwari yake akati ihama yake ndamainini yake saka atitenderere udande una mainini yake anotaura kuti zvoni mainini nyaya yatsva kudai ngatichigadzirisai so because vesamo yavo kurovereraka nyaya ifanira kurotina distonic. I said, no, let's talk to your relative. We can agree because you are a relative. Yes. It's true. And you are talking about the African and Marie Zeru, the Mafortune Randi Dodo. You are talking about Franklin and Many Group Goranga, what you took a night in Zakatinga, what got the 3. The sender is Melman in the Pinach, which is what I took up what I took up. Don't worry. You want to tell us to bit by bit. You want your job to China was to go in a deal. Uno with Sanya to what it Paco, it was Pacoto, Tiloya could be, and so on. Then from the day, you put Africa, because Macopolo when I just come and Moon and told when 1 hour was studying and told. That means Macopolo Yano Scano and when they picture Macopolo guys.
Alright, in regard to the inbox.
Alright, inbox. But
for me, I did not go to the office. They said, let's meet to the hotel. Because we went to the hotel when we were doing this negotiation for the content. Because the union asked me, they said they were supposed to show you the office. No, as for me, I was not thinking anything. I thought that if because the restaurant was very related, so we went to the restaurant. To the restaurant. So I did not go to the
so they have to meet with the restaurant. This is Macopolo.
Yes, I met with the restaurant.
So you trusted Macopolo because of your friend is tonic.
Yes, I trusted you because I said no. If it is your relative, I can't run away. Because tonic, I know where she stays. You see, I said no. She can't drop me. I was like she was there to the group for the past 2 days.
It's a Macopolo. In nickname, I couldn't know about Macopolo.
It's that's why my friend is there in this company because you can't declare in South Africa when you are not registered.
Yes.
And then this man from Macopolo, he sends straight to a bank account.
Yes. I couldn't come Macopolo. Mundu, Makasa personal account. The one Makasa man. Going to come an account.
The company from Macopolo, is the one who's declaring the containers because the company is
Macopolo is the clearing agent. Macopolo is the clearing agent.
Yes, it's a clearing agent.
Yes, he's not a company, he's just a clearing agent. Macopolo. They would have to provide big here, Macopolo.
It's true, it's an agent, it's a clearing agent.
Yes. They would have to provide man, Macopolo. No guys, chokali chakubuda pachena. Akutaura msikana kuti indakatrasa Macopolo nokuda kwani kwesha mwana ndino distonic. Distonic ndizapa anogara because patakanzi ku meeting vakati ngatsakane ku restaurant. But chikundineta akutaura chokwadi, she's now saying the truth. Pandakanzi patakanzi samari ndizvakutora ndakatwa account yake in personal. Haisi business account. That means haisi company munhu the clearing agent. Akutaura chokwadi manje. Macopolo ndiye game. Macopolo na Anzani na Tonic is the game they say.
Yeah, like I said, go ahead, they can open the case for me. I'm not scared anything because as for me, I want my money paid.
You see? Macopolo na Tonic don't nyaya say. I don't want. I put on a chocolate bunch. Now the truth is coming out.
I'm waiting the story to be checked. That's why yesterday I was eating. You see, somebody said, I said, no, please don't check people's story because 9 months, it's been 5 months or 6 months, the blanket into the storage. How much you gonna charge? If you say 5,000, because last time I heard, I said the storage is 5,000. So yesterday I was pleading, don't check us 5,000. After that, 5,000 for 5 months, how much? We lost 25,000. Where can I get that money? I don't have that money. That's why yesterday I just sent a message to Macopolo. Here's the proof. I sent Jules in Lulu. That I just sent the message to Macopolo. Please for storage. And then she replied me. So said, no. If I get my money, all my money, I will release them. Then the storage I'm going to pay using that money that you sent.
Yes, and I can send a message. Sure, guys. The truth is now unfolding. I am a messenger. I am a messenger. I am a messenger. I can send a message. I can send a message. Hold on. Quite is not number to Makopolo guys. Makopolo sometimes close the chapter ladies. Unfortunately, I don't own storage. They gave us enough case period to settle and get all the blankets out. We can try and negotiate, but no one can store for free. It's standard the storage issue. And the owner is not paid. He has the right to sell the blankets. It's not on his conditions. We all know about standard rules when renting storage. Some there are people who paid for their blankets. Last batch, the blankets came short with 6 bales. I heard you said you bring them to the truck, but the truck was so small. And the money, Restonic said 12K. We never got the blankets like as you promised to give us. And you change. I beg for those blankets that were paid. Please give them to us because they were expected. They were expecting them to. They were expected so that they can have them. Please refund. Give us the blankets. Ayo guys, game rana kopolo na Restonic. Game rana po. Here is the proof. Ne number that story po. That's one number zake. That's one number zake kopolo. Story po. Game rana po makopolo. Game rana kopolo. Uya bakutura mali. Restonic chama yake na ne mwana wake bakutura mali kuna ush. Bakutura mali kuna ush. Ndocho kwani. Right. If I go to court, I will tell the court that this person I meet here, I will tell the story, the whole story. I have proved that I was looking for the people blanket. And then I have proved that this person I cannot see her office. I saw it in the restaurant. They called me to the restaurant. I went to the restaurant to my cafe. Picture yake here here Restonic here with Makopolo. Dear yakanzi China you with blanket Fexton. No, this China you blanket, the first of Jessica is where I bought the blanket. I was telling you that. Oh, so you bought them at China Yui. Yes, I want to China. Yes. Oh, you don't number yekucha. Oh, I want number yatipa ndoko akatenga ma blankets. Sure pakatetswa ma proper picture blankets akasiyana. Hopo. The number yekuma blankets ndanayo. Number yekuma blankets kwakatenga ma blankets ndanayo. So ndikutira kutsvaga. Ndatsvaga number dzamakopolo dziri papi? This one 086 idzo. Dzidedzere 086. 082 306 ma. Mira, plus 7 86. 86 what? Urumanya, you are talking too fast. 082 what? 306. 306 yes. 92. Oh, 52. 5203. Right. Zero numbers are not corporate. Right. You the black, the big market. You, I mean, you market. She, I remember that black is type. Saka ndo kwakatenga hanimona saka nya ina makopolo panapa nya ina makopolo and I think kuenda makopolo apa apinti so ndiye mu group guys. I'm going to let you ndakudonedza ini mbotora na makopolo panapa then I might as well add you as well some kele. So let me save your number. Ndivadonedze vese save makopolo ndenza some kele so some keliwe. Akarowa mates guys kana mchinyasoona nyaya iyi nyatsoiona akarowa mates Tora number, you guys. Takutopinza munhu busy. The blankets must be released. Hello. Hi, Makopola. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. You're speaking to SIS MELLY Diaries, yeah? You might not know me, yeah. You might not know me, or you might know me. I don't know. One of the Zim influencers. My sister, I've got a case that came to me. I think you have blankets that belongs to certain ladies that you are not keen to release. Can you please tell me your side of the story? What's happening with these blankets?
Who are you again?
SIS MELLY Diaries.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm sleeping, but I'll try and wake up. Just hold on.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Yes, I can hear you, sis.
Yes. So I just need to understand exactly what's happening because I'm speaking to these ladies. They came to me in numbers, yeah. So I added the owner of the deal that is Sam Kelo. So Sam Kelo came and she said her story, a side of the story. But now I need just to verify with you exactly what is going on with the blankets.
They must pay everything. They must pay all the money that is left. They haven't finished paying. I'm sure they told you. Yesterday I said do some get this total amount that they're owing. And then she said they'll sort it out.
Okay, so what happened? Like from the start, what happened for these blankets to be in the storage? What really happened? Because according to these ladies here, they paid everything. They don't owe anything to anybody. But the blankets are in your possessions. So that's where it's confusing now.
They are still owing. I think they're owing 41,000.
Who is owing? This lady, Sam Kelora?
Yeah, that group of people, yes.
No, the group I have them on a call, all of them. They are saying we pay, we don't owe, and she is agreeing to that. They don't owe anything. Most of them they've paid. Yeah. So, but they are the blankets are still with you. So that means Sam Kelly is owing you.
I sent them what they're owing yesterday.
So in this storage that they are, who's paying the storage?
No one is paying the storages now for now.
So when are they going to start checking for the storage?
She said she's going to contact the partners and they'll pay for the storage.
Because from what she was saying, this Samkelo, she's saying are you the clearing agent? I think already there's a mix up in the blankets, of which we are sending somebody who's on the ground in China to understand what really, with the company, what really happened. Because according to her, she's saying the blanket that she ordered and what is in the container, there are two batches of blankets, the junky ones and the ones that are better. So obviously no one will want to go for these fleecy ones, right? And two, according to her, she's saying somewhere along the line when the container was coming to Africa, it was confiscated somehow. I don't know what happened. And then when it was released, that's when you started demanding for more money.
No. They must tell you the truth. I think everything's on emails.
This is why I came to you, because I know there is three sides of the story. There is the other side, and there is the other side, and there is the truth. That's why I came to you so that I can hear the side of the story from you as well.
Remember, the blankets, they were not supposed to be in South Africa as I'm talking to you right now. No?
Okay.
From medication, number one. Number two, there's people that were shouting and screaming and shouting at us and saying that we are thieves, we are stealing the blankets. And I think there was a lot of people involved. You understand?
Okay.
Well, I will just come at the end of the story now because everything is almost done. It's just 41,000 that is left to be paid.
Okay.
So the problem, so they must tell you the truth. I always say to people, I always tell them, the girls, I deal with money. I don't deal with jokes. Number one. Number two, I deal with everyone in the country. Number three, I don't take people's money without a reason. Number one, they imported the blankets without knowing that they must put the labels. Okay, I don't know whether you can check the sanitary pads. Now I'm doing sanitary pads. Sanitary pads, you must always say made in China. What grammage, what is supposed to be in that sanitary pad.
Yeah.
Then the government of South Africa will say, okay, we understand China, we have declared everything on your
product. The blankets, they didn't have labels. So South Africa says, okay, no, take this back.
Okay.
To China.
All right.
Take inferior things. You don't deal with inferior. We are not a dumping country.
All right.
So they know all those things, and then we have to do that. Okay, whatever was done is fine.
I know.
So the problem,
I know.
Yeah.
Oh, so the amount accumulated after you made the blanket to be in the country is the government was saying it has to go back, and you did what you did for the blanket to stay in the country, right? So that's how the amount, the money accumulated.
We have. Otherwise, when it goes back, then China says, no, we don't take export. Now the supplier is exporting. China, it's a long story. Whatever story, long story short, they all agreed, okay, we made a mistake. Supplier said, we didn't take it levels.
Okay.
Supplier says, Chinese people, they don't care.
Yes.
Because they manufacture. They understand.
Yes, okay. I get what you're saying. I get, because I was in the deal when I was in SA. I used to do the deals a lot. So I get what you're saying. Go ahead.
So the labels, how do you import something without cotton made, whatever? What if I'm allergic and then I get sick and then I die?
Yeah.
We didn't tell us to, your people, okay, long story short. So fine, these blankets are out, we agree everything, give you invoice, then you settle it. They've settled almost everything. They just left it about 41,000 to finish off and take everything out.
Right, yes, I understand. They said they left with 41,000 now, of which now these ladies that bought from the buyer now are saying, why do we have to pay? Because we paid everything already. Why does she keep asking for money from us? That's why they had to come to me. And I spoke to her, I said, you know what? This is not their problem. You have to sort it out with the clearing agent, that is Marco Polo, so that you can get whatever that is left there and give it to people. That's when she raised the issue of saying, like, in the blankets, there is some other blanket that I didn't buy. I showed them what I wanted, right? They put the good quality of the blankets and the other junky, the junky quality of the quality of the blankets. And I'm like, okay, that one is not a problem. We've got some people on the ground there that are offering to go to this unique company and speak to them and hear what happened. But as for now, we need to speak about these ladies who wants their blankets now. Because for somebody to buy 20 blankets, from China, it shows this person, obviously, they don't have money. Yeah, they had to scrounge around to get that small money to buy 20 blankets.
And then we said, okay, pay, and then we give you whatever. Remember the first track, offloaded, whatever their queries. Then people are fighting, they're calling names. Our lawyers were like, leave them, let them pay, and if they don't want to pay, let the storage take whatever. Okay, fine. We are a human being, everybody's business. So, long story short, we were like, okay, pay so much, we will give you so much. Pay so much, we give you so much.
Yes.
Pay what, give you so much. So now the blankets that are left in the storage are not a lot.
Yeah.
They are only left with 41,000 to be paid. And
yes.
Then, Ubuntu, I don't understand whether I understand Ubuntu.
I know, my sister. I know I can speak Zulu. I know you are Ndebele, but you are now based in SA. I was also based in SA before I came to UK, so I know Zulu very well. Zulu Twana, Kiabuwa, Nyakuluma, yonke into. So I hear you.
Whatever you call it. My mom is Swaziland.
Okay.
My dad is from Lesotho.
Okay.
So so whatever happened was, okay, we're gonna clear everything and we give you all when we are done paying.
Yeah.
And remember, I'm not alone. There's people behind me.
I know.
It's not like I'm working alone, because if I was working alone, for sure that container was supposed to go back. And then at the end of the day, these people were like, why did you save this container? Because people are calling you names. Then there was a group, I don't know, you are aware of the group that was opened.
I'm not so sure. I did ask today for me to be put in the group so that I can see what's going on in the group. But I would like to apologize on behalf of the ladies, these old ladies that were swearing at you. They don't know the procedure. They don't know the process. Remember, these are the ladies who were trying to do business, who were just told this one can help you. And when they went to some Kelo told them, you know what, I can just buy things and you get them here in South Africa. They were not told of all the consequences that might happen. So they didn't know. So by the time when you were now saying it was the container was confiscated, we need this, they didn't understand. That's why they're calling you thieves, But I'm very sorry on that one because I really know what you're talking about. I know that's the procedure. I know what you're talking about myself. So I'm on behalf of the ladies, I'm really sorry on that one.
Yeah, I wish a person like you was involved. Then I went to Pretoria because my mom is from Pretoria. I sat with my brothers. They were like, "Don't save this thing, let it go." Because I know my brothers when they tell me something, I had to listen. River Page, River Tswana, River everything. So when I said, okay, no. I was saying they're coming into business, they're still young. They want to understand business. Fine, okay. Long story short, we cleared the blankets. They took almost 3/4 of the blankets, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Okay. But I'm fighting for a black child to say we cannot suffer and take things back. What do I gain and what do you gain? You have already paid a lot of money. So now there's a group that was opened for fake deals.
For fake
There's a
deals?
group that was open fake deals.
Okay.
So when my lawyers were like, leave it, let them take everything. At the end of the day, you must go to court and open a matter. It drains a lot, eh? Now you're going to court, you're opening this matter, you are being called names. Remember, it's humiliation.
Yeah, but as I'm saying now, you remember, put yourself with these people. They don't know anything about the procedure because they don't know. They were depending on some Kelly. So now some Kelly never told them the consequences that might happen, And so all this is on some Kelly, not on these ladies. But it's people that didn't know, it doesn't know the procedure. They were quite to say, to call you names because they don't know how it works.
Yeah, but I didn't want to fight because in business you don't want to just fight because people they don't understand your right. But now the blanket they can't come out until every 41,000 is paid plus storage.
So we're talking about 5,000 storage and 41,000. That is 46,000.
41,000 something. I said to her, I can talk to the owners of the storage. The owners of storage are Chinese people. I can talk to them when now we understand that you are willing to pay. Go to them and say, guys, listen, we were trying to raise money. We didn't have money for the storage. 1, 2, 3, 4. As long as we are ready, we can always go and negotiate. She says it's okay. Yeah, she's a nice person. She said, okay, I understand this manga 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So now I'm waiting for them to finalize the 41,000. And then we negotiate the storage. And I know if we negotiate, they're not going to charge us a lot.
Okay. I just wanted to hear the side of the story of which what you are telling me. I don't have any further questions because I know how it works. Anyway, let me go to Sam Kelly and try to explain. Probably you didn't understand each other, and also to the ladies to try. Let me explain to them exactly what you have told me because I kind of know the procedure. Then we'll take it from there.
I don't know how many blankets are left. We can't go and count one by one. We count one by one. I don't know how many blankets are left. I cannot say it's 3/4, 2/4. I don't know how many is left.
Yeah. Okay, I think in the container there's something about 100 something blankets, if I'm not mistaken.
No, I'm saying for now, what is left, like today, I don't know how many.
Okay.
But now it's not a lot of money, 41,000 something.
To them it's a lot of money because they don't have, remember. If they had, they would have paid long time ago. They don't have it. So to them it's a lot of money.
Yeah, but if we are 100 and sharing 41,000, how much is that?
That's the thing now, because remember, these ladies, they already paid what was demanded. So they can't pay double. That's where the problem is. They divided the money to say each person should pay 49 rand per blanket, right? And they did pay the money to Samkele already. They paid. So they can't pay twice. That's where the issue is.
Because they know there's emails that were sent to them. We ask them to send me those emails. Because I said to them, I'm handling this case to the lawyers. let our lawyers deal with this matter. They said, no. We're going to sort you out and everything. And there's no need for us to go for the lawyers for 41,000. On a serious note.
Yeah, because you also lose 41,000. You pay the lawyers probably more than 41,000.
No, I'm just saying, honestly, on business, like on a business, serious business, looking for a lawyer for that amount is not worth it for them. So I think when at least you understand better than Bona. As you are in business, you don't fight anyone. You sit down, you understand each other. Okay, guys, let's do this. How can we do this? Okay, but at least at the end of the day, I did understand it was a lot of people. It wasn't only one person like you.
Yeah.
Who would understand. It wasn't one person like you who understand. And my partners were looking at me like, dude, why did you get yourself into this trouble? It's not even worth it. But because of Ubuntu, you are raised up by...
Because now the ladies, they don't have money. So what I did ask them what's going to happen now if these blankets, they want their refunds. As she said to them from the word go, I can refund you. Now they want their refunds. Yeah? Yeah?
But why can't... But it's 49 is not a lot.
No, they already paid, Marco Polo. They already paid those 49 rands per blanket. But still the blankets are not out. They already paid to some kilo. That's where the problem is, because they paid. She said 49. They calculated and said, okay, let's pay 49 rand per person, and they did pay 49 rand per person. Yeah, but still there are no blankets. So now they are demanding for refunds.
So they're demanding refund for how much?
For the whole blankets, for the 49 rands and the 49 rands of blankets and the money that they paid for the duty and the money that they paid for the blankets. Because she said in a contract she will refund them if they want refunds.
But if she wants to refund them, why can't she refund them?
That's where we are heading now. She needs to refund them if they no longer want the blankets.
I mean, at this business, I don't do it. I don't do such businesses.
When you released the other blankets yourself, the ones that were paid for, did you check the blankets? Because according to her, she's saying some blankets were junky, some blankets were okay. So there's a mixture of blankets that were okay and some that were not okay. Did you see the blankets?
No, I didn't do it. I didn't even have an interest. Because remember, it's not my cargo. So I don't have a right. Let's say when we are bringing quantity suits, I don't have a right to open your
container. Yeah.
It's not. I understand. I can't open it on this junk. I don't even know what they ordered. They ordered junk. They ordered new. I don't even know. I was telling them, whatever you ordered, none of my business. Because I was not there when they ordering. I don't even know what you ordered. Did you order drugs? I don't know. So that's why the problem is, which I can't say these are junk, these are not what. Who's them? And the other day, they must tell you the truth. Yeah. No, you are right. Because remember, okay, let me tell you something. We have a container right now. I'm going to say the thing that is detained. So what happened? The people that ordered things, they put the standing mark, not even standing, the brand, let's say Louis Vuitton. On that container. Now it gets to Johannesburg, it's detained now. Because now they picked up I'm a brand. It's brand inside. It's
branded, yeah, they are branded. Yes, they don't want branded as well.
Yeah, so now
right. I added some kilo here so that you can be on the same page. I added some kilo so that you can be on the same right, some kilo. Some kilo. I'm very happy that we've got Marco Polo here and she's explaining some of the things that I don't know. I don't want to look biased. Yeah. So right now, let me just say she explained this side of the story to me. Right. So you need to what we can do. Let's finalize this thing here so that you don't need to keep on calling. Maybe these ladies must not keep on calling Marco Polo names. Can you please, right? Because you got their numbers. Can you please add them on this call? Add them on this call, all of them, so that I explain to them what Marco Polo is saying, so that you can also understand what is happening here.
Because as for me, I don't know how to aid because some of them I did not aid them. The group buying I did not save them. Like I think you called me when we were aiding all of them. So as for me to aid them,
Okay, let me try and add one. You add the others. Hold on. Let me try to save one number and then she's there. Okay. I wanted to do it myself. Okay, sure. Right, I'm just adding one person, and I think that person will add other ladies as well. So the lady who's called Makana, that's the one that I saved. Makana, can you please join in? Can you please join in, Makana? And these guys, I didn't even save their numbers.
Yeah, but whoever is there must talk because I'm gonna be off soon.
Yeah, can you please, guys, can you please join in? Makana, can you please join in? Sure. These people.
No, but because you didn't make them aware.
Yeah, no, but we were on another group together. We were on another group together. This is why
You're calling, yeah.
Yeah.
So now
We were on another group together.
Yeah, but you can be talking, they'll catch us up.
Oh. Let me try this one. This issue is now, I don't know. Right, I hope this one will join in. Right, Sam Keleso. Right, the lady that just got in right now, can you please add your other ladies? Add the other ladies here. Add the other ladies, please add them here. So, Sam Keleso, what Marco Polo is saying, all right, you ordered the blankets from China, yeah? And when you ordered the blankets from China, the blankets were just plain. The laws of South Africa that I know, anything that comes in the country should have a label, right? Be it the allergies or whatever that you or that would be written on the what should I call it, sticker or whatever, right? So you just ordered blankets from the factory where they are being made, and they were folded and they were put in the container just like that, yeah. And when they got to South Africa was like, these blankets, are they like getting those charity blankets or whatever? Where are they coming from? They don't have label, they don't have anything. They are not allowed in this country. So the only thing is for them to go back to China. They were supposed to be returned to China, yeah? So this Marco Polo now, I can't spill it word by word, as you know. She and other people, she had to involve other people for her to make the blanket stay, yeah? By, you know what is done in South Africa, by paying each and every department so that they can stay in the country, right? So this is why your money has accumulated. When the blankets are there, you just need to give them. She said she gave you the breakdown of all the money that was used, and you agreed, and you even pleaded with her to say, okay, you give us time, let us do this and this and this and that, right? For you to pay her some other money, and so, for the other blankets that were released earlier, that were telling us, yeah, there are some other batches of blankets that were released earlier on. So she only needs the 41,000 that is left so that she can list the other blankets that are left, of which the procedure that she is explaining, that she has explained, I know the procedure. Guys, I have other people that know the procedure as well? What she is actually saying about the branding and the stickers and whatnot, it's totally true. It's totally true to any country. I don't know Zimbabwe, but in SA, that's how it works. So this is where we are. You see the reason why these ladies are refusing, because some of them, they've already paid even your 49, the 49 rands that you demanded at first, that you calculated. They paid you, but still they don't have the blankets.
Yeah, that's true. They paid last 2 months. They paid. They were waiting for the blanket, but the blanket came short because it was not enough for those who would pay, because there were many people who paid for 49 rand.
Right. So you see where the issue now with those ladies. At least they even agreed to pay you 49,000. Because if it was me, I wasn't gonna pay the 49 for the blanket, because it's you are the buyer. You are the buyer. It's you who made all this error. You were supposed to know as the runner, when I'm buying things from there, especially in bulky, the blanket, they should be labeled. Right? Even if they wrote with the Chinese to say fuck off in Chinese word, no one will ever know. They were going to enter the country, but they were just plain blankets with nothing. That's why there was a complication.
Because what is happening, some people are against with that, because I knew when we were receiving the blanket, some blankets they were having the labels, because they were checking those people who collected more than 500 something. They did check that the label, some blanket, the labels were there in China. The blanket that we have, some blanket we have the blanket that we labeled in Chinese. This is the problem of people that are fighting us, because some people they collected their blanket, but they have their labels, but they did to take the video, the pictures in the group.
So you are saying the blankets have got labels?
The blanket, they got the label. Even you can ask the group, some blanket will open all the blankets, the labels are there, some Chinese and English. They put it Chinese and English.
Okay, and then Marco Polo, they are saying the blankets have got labels, so I don't understand now.
So let's not go back to this person. Let's not be bigger than customs, because the blankets that were written in Chinese, they considered no labels. They are like, there's no labels. If you write anything in Chinese, then it comes here. How are you going to do it? They were considered as no labels. You know that story. And if somebody comes and open one box, find the page of blankets in Chinese, what are you going to do? They consider the whole container is a mess. Okay. And you're supposed to tell your client to say, guys, we have problem 1, 2, 3. Even Jessica said to you guys, I still have those messages. That's why Mkona's Mara Kuluma, he says, I'm basing on point. I'm basing on 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, what happened? I guess for me it was not my first time to order the blankets. But 2 years back I did order the blanket. They came with Chinese and English. I was not having that problem. So as for me, I was not knowing that the French, if the labels with Chinese, it will affect. Because it was not my first time to order.
Go online and check what you're supposed to do. What did Jessica say? What did Jessica say? Says you didn't tell her what you are supposed to be done. That's what Jessica said. I still have those messages that you guys are saying.
Jessica is the Chinese.
Yes.
That is the Chinese. Yeah, he told me like that.
Also, the Chinese said to you, you didn't tell me what I'm supposed to do with the blankets, so I just sent them.
Yeah, bosses. So I think the only thing that we have to do, because now even if you can go to Jessica and everything, we are left with only few blankets to finish off. We are left with 41,000 to finish off. This storage you're gonna negotiate and sit down with China and say, okay, there was this and that and that. So the only thing now, even if you can go back to China to Jessica, it's not gonna help, because we have all the messages from Jessica.
From the Chinese.
What's supposed to pay that 41,000 and take all your blankets? I don't know how many blankets are left.
Right, so the ladies are now saying they want refunds, because you said you will refund them. If they don't get the blankets, you're going to refund them. Now they're saying, since it's taking a toll on them, can you please refund them?
Because right now, Miss Ma'am, I do not like, I don't have money, because I was wanting to, so that I can sell this, can you say you can sell this machine so that you can take the blanket that is left, so that they can have the blanket.
Yeah, but they cannot pay twice, my sister. At least they were lenient, they were genuine enough to pay you for the first time. Me, I wasn't going to pay shame. I was going to take you home and away. I wasn't going to pay, because it's not their fault. But they already paid 49 rand per blanket. But still, they don't have the blankets. So you expect them to pay again? No. You have to come up with a plan. Sell one Uber and pay the money. Yes, that's where we are going now. So, sorry, I tried to reach a deal with you, but it's not working. After getting the whole story now, these ladies are now on my neck. They're saying they want their money back. So the only thing, if you said in their contract that if you don't want anything, I'll give you back the money. Now they want their money back. For you to say there's no money from the word go, it was your problem, my dear. You are even confirming what this Makopola is saying to say you went back to the Chinese and she told you that it's your fault because I didn't know what to say. You should have told me what to do with the blankets. And you agreed here to say yes, she said it in writing. You have all that. So you need to make a plan, my dear. What I just want to hear is now that these ladies have got their blankets or you refund them their money. And I'm just going to give you some days. You need to do that. You need to do that. You need to do that because we're trying to get to the root of the story, what really transpired. Now we've got the whole story. These ladies are already saying they want their money back. They paid you 49 per blanket. What you calculated, they can't pay double. They can't.
Those people who paid for 49 rand, would you send the money to shipping company? Would you send the money for?
But still, they don't have the blankets. They don't have the blankets still. They paid you money. You send it to the company, but they've got nothing. They have nothing. They never received the blankets. So what do you have to say about that?
Because the company said they were supposed to pay the remaining blankets so that they can.
So that's not their issue. That's not their issue. It's your issue now. That's not their issue. They paid what you demanded, right? And you sent it to the company. The company is now saying, I want the full amount. But they paid you. So that means for them to get the blankets, they have to pay double, of which that's not fair. You need to pay the money and you need to give them the blankets, or you need to refund them back their money.
And now we're trying to save this machine, and then you can so that you can negotiate with the company and send them the money.
It's just the same thing we are talking. Even if you sold the ice cream machine right now, yeah. Let's say you find a buyer for someone to buy the ice cream machine. You said yourself that the lady of the owner of the machine will be there wanting those 49 rands. That means these ladies will have to pay double again. That's not fair.
No, they won't pay double. I will see what I'll do. They won't pay double. I will see what I can do. But for now, the focus to release the blanket.
Why can't you sell one Uber if you are really interested in solving this ministry?
I don't have car. My car was involved in the car.
But you are the one who's posting. You post on. I don't know you, girl. Right? I don't know you, but I just heard you were saying like this. These ladies, you're posting the thing, my Ubers, my house, and whatnot. Now this has happened, so they are holding on to that. Say no, you were posting your house, you were posting your cars, you were doing this, you were showing us this. Now we are on crisis. Sell something so that we can, cover us.
As for me, I'll be advertising some people who got cars, and then I'll be advertising for their cars to be sold so that they can give me something that.
I don't have your number, and so I don't know. I mean, these ladies who are there were supposed to aid you, they didn't aid you. I asked them to aid you, or who were on the previous call, they didn't aid you. Some are saying they even paid 3 times. There is this Angie Slanda who's saying she paid 3 times. So she can't keep on paying, guys. Come on. She can't. This will take someone down. I don't know who got down, but this will take someone down. Because I will not allow them to keep on paying. They can't. You have to do something. You have to make a plan. Come up with a plan. I just wanted to hear from this Marco Polo, and the way she's explaining, I don't have any doubts on that, right? But taking from the word go, it's your fault. It's your fault. Now you want to take advantage of these ladies that paid you, that bought from your customers. They keep on paying, pay. They can't keep on paying. If they hadn't paid the 49 rands per blanket, I was going to say, okay, ladies, just it has already happened. Let's count the losses. Pay the 49 rands, yeah, per blanket, and let's see. But they already paid, some 3 times. But still, they don't have the blankets. Put yourself in their shoes.
So can I come in there, guys?
Yep.
I think also there was misunderstanding, because when the first batch is fine, was sorted. Second batch, the third batch, we said, okay, Ubuntu is okay. We have paid so much amount. We're gonna give these bankers, but the rest we're not gonna release them until you pay that 41,000.
That's what you said.
And they tried paying 5,000. I think they paid 5,600. They paid another whatever, close to 12,000 something. I calculated yesterday, remember? And I sent you. I said, this is not a lot of money. You just have to finish off. and take all the blankets. I don't know how many blankets are left, but the blankets are safe in storage. The blankets are there, they're in storage, and at least now there's no one who's harassing me or calling me names, a thief.
This is what happens, Samkele. So when you post your deeds on social media, this is from what 3 Rivers, whatever, the agreement to 31 August, whatever, of the things that you were posting on social media. You need to know how to separate your private life and your business life. This is you here with your child receiving a car, I don't know where, and all these girls were letting this house you bought on property, on property 24, right? So you said these things on Facebook or in the group, they hold on to it. Don't fake life. They hold on to it. Now they're saying you bought cars with our money, you bought a house with our money, we need our money back because you were posting these things in their group.
The house I don't have, the house I don't have, even the car was involved, the car accident, it was financed for the bank. So the thing that I was low, but I don't have it.
Sure. But now I don't know what you're going to do now because you need to refund them, girl, or you need to give them the blankets. The only 2 options: refund them or give them the blankets.
And then I will try to try with the union and then to look. I will try to sell the machine.
I don't think the union will help you in any way. The way she explained, I don't know. You can try your luck, girl, but that is the procedure. Unless you want to take for corruption, yeah, because she paid for the blankets to stay. Unless you want to take it down with you for corruption, yes, but otherwise your union will not. I don't know how they will help you on this one. Unless you want to call Kwananze for corruption, yeah, that might work. But what you just need is you pay them or you refund them. You give them the blankets or you refund them. I don't mind selling the ice cream machine for you. I will sell. But my sister, let's agree here. We are going to set up a date. That date, everybody must have gotten the blankets or the money.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. So let's agree on the date. Tell me the date. Tell me the date you think you are comfortable. Let me see if they agree to it. When do you think they've solved all this?
Because now I'll try to let me try to call this girl who was wanting to help me, and then I'll come back to you.
Please do that because we don't want to. You know how brutal I can be, and we don't want to take it that way. We don't want to take it that route. Let's do the needful. We are human beings. We are talking. Let's just go and find out. Just go and make your deals. Come back to me and tell me so that we can please add me in that group so that we can talk nicely there as sisters, right?
All right, no problem.
All right. Thank you very much, Marco Polo. Thank you very much for the explanation and for your time. Bless you.
Okay, all right, guys. Let's go 15 and make it away. Good night, everyone.
Bye. Right. Tadzoka back to handi muri kuona pane error guys, mistake yakaitika pakutanga haina ine vakadza ndadzokera back kumirira vakadzi ndamboda kumunzwisisa musamukelo tiite work out zvakanaka, but after uyo makopolo kana vari kukandana pasi pebhasi vari kukandana pachavo. Hanoona kana vari kukanda pasi pebhasi aiwa izva zvinoinako, but uyu makopolo azoexplaina zvandiri kunzwisisa inini. Hanoona makopolo ari kutaura kuti izvo ari kutaura chokwadi kuti kontena rangasingafanga kutonge rimwe munyika, but takazobhadhara kontena rigani. Hanoona saka panoda mari aisi yangu ndega takawanda padhiri. Hanoona and you guys you been to South Africa, you know antika and the procedure ndizvozvo, but then from there makopolo uyu samkelo iproblem yake because from the way to go unoti uyu makopolo achitaura kuti hatina kufanira Jessica ndiye muchaina kwakatengwa mablankets vakataura nemuchaina vese pako. Muchaina akataura kuti ini ndakangosimira mablankets haana kundiudza zvapanga kuitwa mablankets aya ndosaka mablankets and right now handina kuziva kuti chichaitika kumberi. Hanoona hanimurikuona uyu akatobvuma akati shuwa ndakutaura ndamudza kuti akataura lebara ndakumudza. Saka problem haine nevakadzazo, problem ndeyasamkeleso. Samkeleso apa utachiona now kuti oita sei kuti nokuti makabhadhara 2 times 3 times vakatobhadharavo vakanzwisisa. Handimaona inini handiri inini nobora ngoma wangu andaibhadhara But anyway, makaita ino kabhadhara because muri kufaita zvezvibude. But for now, hakuna mari yamuchabhadhara. Samkelo has to see what to do kuti oita sei kuti mari inde kuvanhu idzokere kuvanhu kuti machira abude. Ichi chikona chiche 41,000 ndechake achinei neni. Achinei ari kunzi chakauya chakanyorwa chichaina koni. Paifanwa kuive neEnglish kuti zvakanyorwa kunzi kudini ndozvekutaura uchu. But takamboita kesi yakafanana neiyi guys. Muchimboiremembere kesi yaZandile. You remember case yaZandile yekuteki? Guys, who still remembers the case? They involve a lot of money. Tikafonera kumabhengi, tikafonera kubhodheri kuZimbabwe side kuzimura zvinhu zvabatwa zviri kupiswa. Who still remembers that case fan? Who still remembers? Takaita kesi ndopandakadzidza procedure yese kutaurwa nemusikana. Takaita kesi iyoyo pano yakareba ikanetsa nyaya iyoyo pano ikanetsa nyaya yaZandile uya. Zandile akatiza muSA akaenda kunovanda kumesina. Muchikuiziva nyaya iyi guys. You remember nyaya iyi? Moiziva. Ndopandakadzidza zvotangwa namakopolo. Hello dear.
SIS MELLY, musikana uyo ari kurevesa kana zvinhu zvichishipwa from this side vanokubvunza mashipping agents kuti ukushipa chii. Kana dziri bhutsu unotaura kuti hadzina malabel, dzine malabel kuitira kuti kana zvasvika paya zvinochekwa. And she's saying the truth. Kana usina kuidentify those things zvinhu zvako zvinobatwa and zvinodzoserwa. Saka ivo pavakatenga ndo pavakaita mistake. And it seems like the lady has kuda kubvuma kuti ndakaita mistake. Because pandataura zvekuti pakuenda kuground atanga kujamba. And then I could see kuti there's something wrong. Vatya. Mukadzi uya anga achitora advantage of people because vanga vasingazivi kuti zvinofambiswa sei.
Aiwa anga asingazivi iye handisi yangu kuti ndiye mechidhira ana asana amboshanda aamboita mablankets aita zvimwe anga asingazvizivi zvemablankets zvisamukero. Hanimaona it's not like kuti iye imbavha haasi mbavha ngataure chokwadi haasi mbavha iye samukero wacho. Hanimaona but akashandisa haana kuziva hanimaona kuti zvinoitwa sei. Therefore mari pabatwa container iri akazobviswa dzimwe mari dzaanga asinga expect hanimaona ofita dzinene vakadza vakatwa blankets hanimaona dzabviswa mari mazi iye akutira kuenda kune vanhu kuti ngaticheyei because container rino rakadii rakabatwa hanimaona ava vakatikonzwisa vakatimbosheya handiona but still uya kuti 41 yangu kuti ibude iye pachake haasi tsotsi wacho futi.
Aiwa haasi tsotsi ataura zvinhu zviri straightforward. Ataura zvinhu zviri straightforward mukadzi. I think uyo ari kuramba achibhadharisa vanhu mari. She did the deal and not confirm with the manufacturer kunoku.
Yes.
Ndo pane problem.
Yes.
Saka apa kubhadharisa kwaari kuita, let her just pay and clear the container. Apiwe mablankets ake. Full stop.
It's on her. Hazvinei vakadzi ava. It's on her.
Hazvinei navo because paunototenga kunototaurwa kunzi tikutenga mablankets muchana landing price is this much. Munhu obhadhara mari yake anenge akatengerwa.
Yes, it's a deal gone wrong. Yes.
Saka apanga akuvhika neagency
matombodzo akazachira ranzi achimbotenga zvinhu mazokuti tikada kunyepa kana guys tikutonga nyaya zviri fair pano hadivazivi vesa but ndakatarisa haasi tsotsi samukeno uyu but ari panguva yakaoma because zvakazoitika after mablankets akunzi ngaachidzokera manje pazodai vanabhatira mari dzavo handimona kontena rasungu raitwa arrested ndo pakatagara mahwane ese iye kuti achiona mari yekubudisa yakawanda wanda anga asina then akadzokera kuvanhu kunotaura kuti ngatitei contribute kuti mari bude zvinoitwa kuvanhu vemabhasi. Let me give you an example kwa nema pass. Let's phone. Hello dear. Hi Sam.
Let me take my life. What are you already showing?
No, you want to take your life, but you have to pay people before you take your life, some kid.
I don't have that money.
Make a plan, my dear. Make a plan. Sell something. Sell some other things. Make a plan. I don't know. I'm not going to stop you to take your life if you want to, but pay people first before you go, because that will be that even God will not take you. God will not take you for you to go to heaven. People are crying. When people are crying, it will not be fair. Hello, dear.
I've been trying. I've been trying to solve this issue, but it's hard to me. I don't want to lie.
At a moment like this, Sankedo, take find friends, those friends, find somebody who can give you the money, make a deal with them. You know what? In business, what happens is we fall down, but we wake up, we rise. Yeah. So talk to somebody else who knows. I know I see you've got clients that even trust you, some of them. Talk to them. Somebody must just borrow you 41,000. Then ask you for a grace period of 6 months. My friend, I will give you next year because right now I'm starting again. Then you start afresh. We will give you orders. I will give you orders as well. I will support you. Serious. I will support you too. But from now, don't ever use South Africa when you want to smuggle things. Use Zimbabwe. South Africa, you don't. Things are going to Zimbabwe, then they'll come to SA, not SA straight. Do you have people? You have people that have got money. Go and talk to them, my sister. Go and ask me for 41,000. Even 40,000. I think she will give you.
Because I tried to ask the man, I don't have money. Now I was refining people. The people that I did refine them, I don't have money. Even if I can help someone who can borrow me, I'm waiting for my Chinese, but now I'm waiting for my stock to be redeemed.
Yeah, what I'm saying is like if you go and you go to your close friend there, ask him for 41,000. Make a deal to say, guys, you know what happened? I'll give you next year. Give me time to work, or
my friends that in the group, those people bought the blanket that in the group who did help me before.
No, I mean your friends, some who are not even in the group. I mean your friends, some who are not even in the group. Try to source for money, my friend. Let's talk tomorrow morning. Come back to me tomorrow morning. Try to knock on people's doors. Imi guys, ngutwanze mukuseketereka kuseka mashara afuraya. Imi kwana imi. Tingatida kuti kwa emotional blackmail iyo. Tikwanire zvendisi titeke emotional blackmail. Kuti timuhwire tsino. Pane makamari dzavo kapa. Timuhwire tsino kuti
angachituka vanhu because she wanted to. Angatitukira vanhu kuti
avadzinge. Opa hake ndakada kuisa munhu achakufa. Tingamisa kuti leo safe mnatenda kutora asi kuti ngatitanga apa chi vakadza vakutuzama kuraramira vari kuzama kuraramawo vari kuda kurarama kuti dzavo handisi vari kuzama dzavo sengisiwa hauna ndigiri hauna green button hauna green button.
Thank you so much. Saka pasina point yekuti ndiye kuinbox ka
point hapasina. The truth is out there. Then muti ndombozvida here zvokuitwa emotional blackmail nine munoti ndombozvida meta sekweni muti ndombozvida zvokuita inoziva vanhu vari kuchema guys, vanhu vari kuchema vakavata pamadying bed necancer vari kunavana kuti mwari tinokumbira kuti mutimutse give us another chance. Umwe oti ari mutano akasimba nezamu rake rakura kudai oti ndoda kuzviuraya hangu. Imi guys moti kwaindifanga kuwatiti imi guys ka ndikwanirei musazodaro imi guys musazodaro. Hakuna anombozviuraya muchamaona kuti mangwana anenge mupeni makambona nda kuzviuraya chitugudza kuti ndoda kuzviuraya makambomona ngachizvisuma kuti oya pavanhu ndoda kufa. Imi waimogatsitsi ini chanogona kuti kana ndikafa harandidza sekuti ngachitanga apa vakadzi vamari dzavo because ndiko ndonochemera vanodawo kudi vanoda kusifidha mburi dzavo iye hatafunga kuenda life yake asi vakadzi ava vanoda kudi vanoda kuraramisa mburi dzavo. Nai tikunamatira makore akawanda everyday munhu unoda kuti ngaatipe makore ake ngaatipe hawo ngaatipe makore ake ketimbofanira uri munhu wepano ndisingadi kubhuloka wangu uri munhu wepano sho ungatiita zvatisinganei kwatisinei kwatisingaendi hatidzi kuti ungasuma vanhu kuti vadi vabve palive ino vaendekopo here nai ketimbofana nai mufana. Saka vanhu vodii vofanga kuti vapanapa voenda koko nokuti kwaita mambo vari kutanga life. Kuna mambo vari kutanga life. Aiwa guys hatiti munhu ngangoningirira ngangotipa uyu ngangopa vanhu mari guys. Makore ake adacho angapa ngandipe hake ndichembere mutsvaku 1 or 2 ngandipe guys munoda kuita zvokuzvura guys kana guys guys kana right. Saka muri kuona nyaya iri product achandiudza kuti handina ubhaka nomuri kuona zvinonetsa paningikiri muri kuona zvinonetsa kada unoda muri kuona zvinonetsa panyaya idzi guys muri kuona zvinonetsa panyaya dzakadai she was faking achikanda dzimba ndosaka achiti guys private life yako ngaive private life yako ainei nezvekusocial media hanimaona unenge wakada dzimba pachipoya dambudziko rakadai vanhu voti aiwa kachitengesa imba yatakaona chokwadi changu chikubuda pachena manje muri kuona atori nestress mwana ndichataura naye zvangu kusei atori nestress hani muri kuona vanhu vari kuti aiwa kamboti takadziona wakaposta mugurupu ine ndapuwa mapikicha zvechuwa achicelebrata mapikicha ndikapuwa imba nebepa rinemba chitengesa akati mari dzedu apa zvanetsa hani muri kuona zvanetsa taurako Karen
chekutanga hakuna munhu anoda kufa anooneka kana ndinangomwa mushonga angadai atozvimwira mushonga wake aenda. Number 2 ikurudziro kune vanhu vanoita zvemabhizinesi izvi, please musaita zvinhu zvamusinganzwisisi. Mutemo wecustoms wekusouth Africa uri very strict, especially with products from China, not only zvinhu zvishoma shoma, even chero mamachinery chaiwo chaiwo uri very very strict, because they are trying by all means kuti vaavoid zvinhu zvemachina kuzopinda mumarket. And ways vakatoitika apa zvikauya zvisina matax, nenyaya kuti mamanufacturing cost ekuchina anenge ari high. Ukaunza muSouth Africa vane vachiti wakuda kuti zvizochipa, because kuno kuSouth Africa kumanufacture zvinhu zvinodhura kudarika kuchina. And then number 3, the fact yekuti anga asiri remorseful from pakutanga, it shows kuti munhu iye kuruku. Anditi hakuna munhu angangofunga from nowhere kuti ndoita mabusiness ema-thousands usina backup in the sense yekuti maybe une mota here kana kuti maybe une mabhuru ane mari. Inini ndingoda kuti mari yevanhu ngaidzoke zvake zvekuti handina mari izvezvi. Kana akagona kupiwa vehicle finance, which means kuti loan kana credit card anogona kungopiwa, saka she can still go back to the bank, apply for a personal loan yaanozobhadhara ega. Akapiwa 41,000 kubhadhara kuSouth Africa inenge less than 2,000 rands a month. Saka ini tinongoti vanhu ngavapiwe mari yavo. Tichazodzokazve musoro chati pane date kumeka sure kuti vanhu wana mari yavo. If it means
kuti mari vawane idzi nyaya idzi ndasingasati kudzibata dzezvikwedi munoziva imi, but zvinhu zvakadai so zvinonetsa munoziva. Vana mai havatori vana mai vakutozama kurarisa mhuri dzavo, ende une mablankets aitengwa. Handingambobhadhari munhu kuti aenda kutengere 20 blankets. Kare unonyatsoziva kana ndakuita dhiri rekutuma rana kutengera macheki kumablankets ndinotenga 300 400 500 zvichikwira, handiona okuisa mushop kutotenga 20 kutoza kuti mari yacho hapana. Handona vakutse zvokutongo mpena matimba kungadzawo zvimari kuti vakwanise kutengesa kumusha voratsikirwa kuti ne 20 mablankets wayaskana.
And also kune vanhu isusu tinotenga kuchina yese rimwe bhinya kuti azhinji hatina ruzivo, but inini handizoti vamwe vanhu vane zvivindi sezvekungopa vanhu vasingazivi mari dzavo. By the way, zviri nani udhuri kwezvako uchitora zvinhu zvaunoona, hapana chakaipa kuti tipe vamwe mabusiness, but ndo munhu ane reputation yakanaka. Handiti munhu anozikamwa wekuti chero kanzomushaya mangwa anoenda kwaari. Handiti ende usati watanga kubudisa mazimari akawanda chimboita kuti maorders tudiki diki uchiona kuti munhu wecustomer care yake yakamira seko, zvinhu zvake zviri legit here, kwete kungoti ndanzwa kuti Karen ari kutengesa magonyeti batanzai makutoisa ma-thousands. Zimbabweans, let's stop doing that. Handiti vanhu vakawanda tinongobirwa mari nezvinhu zviri simple. Mablankets kuJoburg kuzasuku kuChinatown kuDragon City ariko magumbezi senge ma 1 ply ai hanenge anoita ma 180 here. Handiti ma 2 ply ndoita ma 250. Handiti saka please spirit iriko yekuti unorangodyirwa mari nevanhu vasingazivi ngatisiyane nazvo. Ngatidzidzei kutenga zvinhu zvatinoona, ngatidzidzei kutenga kune vanhu vane reputation yakanaka. And also vamabusiness ava, please, business asi munhu wese akazvarwa achigona kuita business. Vamwe takutodzidzira. Handiti kana muchidhila nepublic, please you need to be very professional. Handiti because zvinhu zvakadaro hazvingoaffectiwo chete zvakuenda pane family yake izvezvizvi one zvaangakutaura eventually dai ari mwana akazozwa kuti mai yako ndipo vanozvitaura, but it's not like unenge uchida kuba, but you are doing something chausinganzwisisi. Ita business rako raunonzwisisa, siyana nezvinhu zvausingagoni, siyana nezvinhu zvausingazivi kuti zvinofamba sei, because mangwana zvinokupinza panguva yakaoma sezvizvezvi. Musare zvakanaka.
Thank you very much, Karen. And the other thing is, guys, says you talk about Karen Panapaka. When I muka so samari, you could take a kundeni to clear the goodie. Handika, Sinogofana, Naka to do out to China Pachona, Panakuto Stinger Akoma Musa, Kanakupida could drag on whether or Dakawanda. So it's a kind of cheaper because our shipping agents actually Ichafana and one Ichapadam. Who got a blanket of Kandapai, Panamala Chana Papazi, what went to a blanket of Kumpo, to all material, Shedakumba, Handimana. Could take out China Kukuro to remember to China. Kutaya kune bhuku rokazwa bhutsi inokwanisa ngopfekwa 2 hours guys. Bhutsi inotodzwa kunzi just to wait for 2 hours. Pa 2 hours chingorokwana inobva yaputika. China inogadzira chayakatidza kugadzira munhu. China munhu ndiyo inogadzira chesisi China. Saka musanya muri kungofanira sei kuti China hakuna zviriko kuChina handiti mazvona hakuna. Ndosaka vachitotiza kubva kuchina chiya kuAfrica moti nyika yavo denga kanaka zvese zvazvinopotreya dei vachiinda kuAfrica kunotibira gold kuno dei vachibira South Africa kunodzingwa nedhudhula uko varimo muya. Tengai kana vahodha vaunza tengai ipapo musazvipa pressure kuti kwaichichema kuChina. Go and stop business guys. Unotenga muJoburg ndakambokudza history yangu kuti ndaitenga muJoburg ndinotengesa kumarket chena naAlberton uko handimaona ndichivanyepera muJoburg kunze kwenyika ndatenga muJoburg uko handimaona because ivo havapasha kupinda mutaundi ndimaya kuti matsotsi kune masikotani havapindi mutaundi asi ndoko vakazvarigwa. Saka isitopinde duka makona kona ndozvihodhera zvinhu zvangu ndodzokera nazvo ndinotengesa handimaona. Tengai zvinhu muSouth Africa imomo mune zvinhu zvakanaka. Kune vanotengesa hembe downtown kuna small street uko you negotiate ikokuya motenga zvinhu zvinenge zvinenge zvakana zvine mupuwa nikiri 20 rands discount motenga handimaona matenga moda kutengesa good profit. Mabotika kwande kuZimbabwe amuri kutenga zvinhu zvakunzi $1,000 sisa munonzera zvinhu zvakazara muJoburg ndikudze munozviziva here mabotika anenge akuchinja kunzi $50 $1,000 $700 uku zvatogwa kuna small street uku but because you are lazy kunofamba muchitila matsotsi handimaona anongopinda na small street unoona a very nice thing chiripo handimaona otora pashane otora onokanda mubotiki chechakunzi $80 chinhu chatenga £7 £8 chinhu chatenga $300 chakunonzi $1,000 kwandatenga ndakutengesa zita rangu ndinakusisira kuti matenga mubotiki yaSIS MELLY saka zviri kudhura ndinokutati ndakabvana zvakutenga ichi ndakazvitara na small street uku handimaona. Saka pressure yamuri kuzvipa stop giving yourself pressure guys. Chinhu chabva kupi kwamusa kuzere machira mari yako chete kuzere machira type netype kuzere mapoto type netype kuzere chii handimaona. Ende munotenga musaine 2 kuDragon City ko 1 mutaundi munotenga mablankets enyu handimaona. Iwo marejects hembe dzinobva kuna Pep kuna Mr Price nekupi handimaona naAckermans ariko madeals iwayo. Go and stock moenda kunotengesa kumusha uko musamwanyiso dzari kuti dzichabva kuChina chabva kudini vhudzi riri kuti amuri kutenga kuDragon City kwakwe kuDragon City vhudzi reri handitika mune Dragon mena mune kuti uchiziva kune quality yevhudzi ririmo yodosera kuti equality kana uchiziva kwete mufeferero kuti kwakaisa zvimberi zvakanaka zvimwe zvakadi handimaona. So itei zvinhu izvi muchiziva find somebody who knows about this. Unotengesa mawigi wangu mawigi uri kuodha papi mawigi akanaka ari kuDragon City uko azere kuDragon City mawigi akanaka zvisingaiti yeValley auya kuzotichotawo panapa yeValley mawigi kaitenga kuDragon City uko ndokwaitora kuDragon City but aida kugwede quality yake sei pano akaita mari munhu uya asina kuchitoti achibuda paDragon City. Saka munoda kuti macrocs azere muJoburg type netype. Saka zvo munodei China inonetsa pakuti zvakutoda munhu anenyazoziva rana chai anoona kwavanohla polisi aproblem ndimapfekera ndingakaita sacho anoona kana ukapfeka chibhurugwa chako chijini pasi pesiketi pejini sketi wopfeka trouser vanokubata anoona but ukapfekawo zvakanaka confidence plus ndokachitendiva muJoburg famba ine confidence pinda pakati mapurisa ipapopinde vanozviziva kuti Zimbabwe ndinopinde pakati pavo vanozviziva kuti Zimbabwe haripindiri vatotenga kuti vaspeed vakamira mapurisa pakati papointos zvino vakati uchitotsenga chingamu yako uchitomira pakati pavo kudai unotopadarika havakubvunzi ati dressing yedu sometimes kutla utokunzi fesi bango saka utokuchanofenda vanotoona kuti ushu handimaona. So yanaida kuti example yakachipe kuti akabhadhaswa mari yakafanana neyekuZimbabwe kumabhasi uko handi kumabhasi mukaisa zvinhu zveni kumabhasi handika basa zvinhu zveni kumabhasi bhasi rikabatwa nezimura handimaona zimura yebva iti hamuna kudeclare zvinhu zveni zvakakwana handika tikuda mari handi munoona bhasi bati bhadhara imwe mari chero usina kana chinhu usina kana bhegi rine chinhu chekudeclare une kabhegi kotokonzi contribute nevamwe kuti tikurumidze kubuda munhu otherwise hatibudi munenge makabatwa kumazimura kumasvingo kana pazimura pavhoti handimaona cheketo handimazviona ndo zvakangofanana zvakaitika pandika pachikondena ichi but anyway ndikaiti ndimirire mangwana kuseni ndimbomupa nguva afeni asati afa tiwe kuti zviri kufamba sekufa hake hafi tione kuti adzosera vanhu mari naye kana uri business woman chaiye ungati ndida kufa because the business has gone wrong unomira sesoja unotsvaga mari unotengesa firiji wotengesa mubhedha wotengesa dressing table wotengesa tv hati wokavha vanhu wotanga panyuwani soja unodonha uchimuka mubusiness haudonhi uramba wakavata pasi machinzwa vanhu vari kuita business haudonhi wotidadona ndakuda kuzviuraya kana waita losi unongoita profit every day unoita losi one day unovata pasi andiona kana wadonha zvabatwa womuka kuti right I need to wipe off dust my feet and move on what do I do wotaka kufamba futi uchinda uramba ndakazodonha saka ndakatosera nazvo vanhu vakaita mari vabvunze kuti vakaita mari unoshingirira unouya taiuya stoku yavo yacho unonenetevengwe mabvawo ndakabhotorerwa stoku yose nemapurisa yose nenyaya yelicense yakaexpire yose ndibva ndasenda bhariko patandakurega ndakatanga kutofambira nyaya dzelicense handimaona payaka vatora zvose kabuda ndakatanga futi wani ndakanopinda muchimbazo kutora mari kuti ndimuke because haurambi wakavata pasi because wapinda pakada unosimbuka handi mashona ndangoti ndikusimudzirei chidaro but anyway guys I would have loved to stay with you for quite some time but time dzafamba I need to cook for baba vauya and ndatine nyaya dzekuti tauridza kwanda but time mangwana kumabasa handisiyiwo tatira 3 hours nenyaya but I'm happy at least vari kubatsirika navo ini nyaya dzangu ndakudzokera nadzo handimaona so ndozodii ndozongotaurawo tikaita vhidhiyo moto tichionesana vhidhiyo tichindara musati ndiripo toitawo malife handitika guys thank you for your support guys I really appreciate it and I really love you guys and makandikochera zvokutodaro timu rako handida kuzati ndimi shamwari dzangu here kana musingandokuonika tinoita stress anmon because hakuchina kashamwari kapanapa tinongobaya achiti like kana musangana nemi kumacomments kumwe tinotanga kutonetsana kukona kutofara tichitotega takaenda handi mashona saka musakangane guys real premium spices iripo andika ndiri kuda kuti mundipe pekuti mashipping companies tione tingachandisa ipi yakachipa yekuti asi vari kuafrica please ndakaisa nhamba kuti muhodhe December kusvika mutengese maspice vasina mapolicy ndiri pano zvakare come and get love you retirement come and get ndikujoinise kuti uitewo policy yako hani muri kuona vekushakirwa vana vekushakirwa nesuro muaccident yekombi vaya vamwe tu vachona vatoenda vatoya kusororo nhasi vatouya kusororo vanhu vacho amazvi dzakandibata nesuro paya hani mwana vatove kusororo kumutare isororo izvozvi vecape town venyaya dzamuri kuziva idzi hati maona so ita policy yako because umwe wacho mai vake vanga vane policy vanga vakamisa policy yavo saka ndatomutora hati machiona anzi tokusiwa ikudu atondowari time flies time inomhanya handimaona saka vane makadzi avo zvakare please mondisira ma5 pounds enyu ndokutumirai makadzi enyu because ina handidi kuchengeta makadzi avanhu anozorashika handi mashona vemaherbs ndaposta maherbs enyu matogamuchira maherbs enyu zvaita chandagwinyira ukoso right tachega imbotandadza dedi guys vanoda mbotandadza kwededa kukwizwa kamakumbowo chimbotandarawo chimbodiri ndatori nenyaya yekuti tauri nenyaya yaGabriel uyu wevakadzi vakasi time yacho haichaiti saka guys tosangana don't be toxic handitika mumastiri don't be toxic musateedzera vamwe kuva toxic zvakasara zviya we strive to be better people patotadza chitsurana zvakadaro tichienda takadaro god bless you guys I love you take care